Baby, Amy's back. So we're back into the green over here. I'm sure that if you guys took literally anything that we talked about this morning, Micron, AMD, SPY, I mean, you guys are probably deep into the green as well. These Micron calls are up 290%. The SPYs that I have are up 106%. The AMDs are lagging a little bit. I'm kind of pissed about it. They're only up like 26%, which is kind of annoying. I might ditch the Oxy. They're actually down a little bit, 5%. Oh no. Amy, come on. Let's go. 19. Let's get going, people. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. You guys miss me? Do you guys miss me? Hit the like, Long Jericho. Appreciate that, man. I'm here. Why aren't you? I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Don't worry. Don't worry. All right. So we did just get that 5-minute MACD cross up on the SPYs. Well, it's not a great cross, but I mean, if it starts to rip a little bit, that could be fun. 99. Jesus, this is probably one of my best trading days. This is crazy. Let's see. So AMC 1838 over here. GME is going on a moon mission up 1.81%, but from the depths over here, I mean, this is solid over here. 1348 cross, break above the 200. Bing bong, rip city. Hey, SPY. No, none of that nonsense over here. All right. So, I mean, we're crushing it across the board. You're holding Oxy overnight. That's reckless. Bro, if we would have kept out our other Micron calls, oh my God. Dude, I still have. Well, actually, I sold one of them during the break before I came on because I thought the SPY was topping. And actually, no, the SPY was running and Micron didn't move. So I was like, that's a little interesting. But then it just continued to make new day highs. So I'm holding the last contract. I'll see what happens with it. It's up 276%, man. That's insane. So thank you, 1348. That's what we're doing today. Is this what I get for rubbing those uncalls in your face yesterday? Sold Micron for 30% this morning. Sam, yes, that's exactly what you get. All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. I want to see all the apes printing. So let's get those people in here too and have them making money with us. So let's see over here. The Oxy is all right. The AMD up 20. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Oh, AMC 1835 just kind of chilling out a little bit over here. Having a horrible day. Love your good attitude. Keep the spirits up. Yes, man. I meant to say ma'am, but I didn't really understand. And nonsense. Sorry. Ooh, like number 69. Appreciate that. Can I check DraftKings on the 5-minute? Of course I can. Sorry. SPY's being a little shithead. Let's see here. Wants to cross up, get above that 200. It's down 1.5% on the day. How's Verizon doing? That's what I want to know. Verizon. I mean, I'm 27 cents in the money. That's not the worst thing in the world to be seeing. SPY's still looking good over here. I mean, the 1-minute MACD cross down. The 5-minute, not really getting that cross yet. It's close, though. Let's see. So boring when you go on break. Hey, at least I'm back, right? Is it too late on the SPY? Yeah, I would say so. Unless it sells off to this 13 EMA and then you can play the bounce back up, but that's risky. There's no strategy behind that. So let's see what happens to the SPY over here. It's liking some of the stuff that Powell's saying. Let's get a Micron over here, see how these guys are doing. Yeah, it's all right. Amy, 1837, trying to get back up. The tide is in and riding the wave. It's not the size of the wave, but the motion of the ocean. 650% on Micron, says Jose. Boom. 3 for 3. Guys, I mean, this is crazy. SPY's moving back up here. I'm up 98%. I haven't seen these types of numbers in my account since AMC was at like 45. This is crazy. All right. Took BBIG to 1348 down this morning for a 238% gain in 4 minutes during my oil change. God damn. Woo! SV SPY reacting to Apple and Tesla. What are they doing? Well, I mean, Apple's probably moving. Apple looks fine. It just made a new high on this 5-minute candle. SPY didn't. So if Apple's going to run a little bit, I mean, it could push SPY up. Where's Tesla? What do we got? Oh, Tesla actually could look really good here soon. So if Tesla gets this 1348 cross and breaks above, like really like solidly breaks above this 200 EMA over here, moon mission time, but let's see. So SPY's flickering like a little a-hole right now, but let's see what happens with this. It always could come down and touch this 25 MA. We've seen that happen many times today. It's kind of been respecting this 25. Yeah, it's doing it right now. So let's see what happens here with the S&P 500. Woo! Paper handed like a bish on Micron after 80%. Should have held. That's why I make stuff free. So I had 4 contracts, sold 2 of them at 100%, just sold another one at like 200 something percent. Are we still doing MOAS tomorrow? I don't know. Are you going to MOAS your account with these options that we're hitting, like you might. Like I honestly have not seen these numbers on my account in a very long time. Let's see. Just because these last couple of weeks have just been insane with trades. All 1348. What are my thoughts on Oxy? Where's oil? I still have it. Oxy could get a little pump here. Let's see. I mean, my Oxy calls. Oh, they're up 4.5%. Great. Oxy could run into the end of the day. If oil continues up like it's been doing, that'll be pretty good. Spy's all right over here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, Tesla looks like it wants to bounce off this 200 EMA over here. That could be sweet. You just bought $30,000 of AMC. Woo! There you go, buddy. Tostones coming in hot. Coming in hot. All righty, people. So, yeah, again, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot getting more people in here. Helps out with the algorithm. It's all I ask for. Thank you guys very much. So, let's see. Spy's just waiting on the 13 EMA to smack it in the ass on the 5-minute. Yeah, I wish the stock market had a Control-Alt-Z button where you paper hand nearly. I know, man. Undo. Not a hedge fund. What'd you paper hand? What'd you sell out of? And another 5K of 1650 in the money March chain tape. Dude, Tostones is coming in here being an absolutely just model ape. Damn, $30,000 worth of AMC and then goes and buys in the money calls. Whew. There you go, buddy. There you go. All right, let's see what the Spy's going to do over here. It looks all right. Are you buying back more AMC with your massive gains? Yeah, I will. I'll probably buy a little bit more today after I sell out of some stuff towards the end of the day, just to make sure I have the gain. Oh, Spy. Come on now, buddy. Make that new high. Thinkorswim has a button like that, the undo button. Dude, that should be called the FOMO button. Where you just like, shoot, I sold it. And then you're like, wait, click, get back in. Let's see. Can you teach me options privately? I will pay you. No. It's all out there for free to learn. And then again, we have that Discord that is literally everything like that you need to know in terms of the strategy. Very simple. But let's see here. He should buy Mullen too. Why are you talking about Mullen? Oxy candle, which way? Please be up. Nice. Nice. Oxy should go up with oil doing what it's doing. I mean, these contracts are up 10% now, or 12% now. AMDs are good. Spies are good. The microns are up 271%. Trey's mustache. How you doing? Where are those? You got them? I think you got them. I think we're good over here, people. AMC is just flagging over here, waiting for that nice little push of buying pressure to just go floop and get that thing going back to the upside. Oh, Spy, what are you doing here, pal? 5-minute looks fine. Just kind of topping out a little bit. Oxy looks strong. Oxy contracts are about to go in the money. Woo! There we go. How often do you go bowling? Like maybe once every 2 years. When I was in my freshman year of college, I went bowling once a week because I was doing this thing with like the Special Olympics where we would go and bowl with people in the Special Olympics. It was fun. You're making bank. There you go. All right, guys, I got to take a really quick call really quick. Stand by. Dang it, they sold the car that I wanted. Darn it. That sucks. So I can't get a car this week. That That is not fun. What would happen if I held the Micron up overnight? I'm up 430%. Well, it could go up way higher. You never know. You never know. Ooh, Spy. What you doing here, pal? What you doing here, pal? All right, let's see. But he said March 3rd. Yeah. Let's see. I can't believe they sold that car. That's annoying. Spy coming up a little bit. Amy coming up a little bit here. Come on, Amy. Do it. Go. Where's it on the 1 minute? That's no fun. And it's been doing this for the last couple of, I mean, it's just up, down, 48. Let's see if we can get a little pop here. Lambo already? No. They're trying to get you to buy a more expensive car. Well, they won't get me to do that. I'll be like, screw you. I want that lease. So if you're not going to give me that, I will call your owner. I don't have Intel calls. No. I'll be like, hey, pal. Can I speak to the manager? Let's see. Lambo or Tesla? Neither. Amy's looking really good here, though. Spy moving back up. Oxy trying to get a little bit of a pop, too. Had a dealership sell a car I was actually signing the papers on. Well, the problem is that I was going to try. Here's the deal. They should be open on Sundays because I was about. No, it's not Nutty. I was about to go get it on Sunday and just do it because I was like, I want this car. I was going to get a Nissan, but then the Nissan, they were trying to just jank me on the lease. And I was like, no, screw you. I can get a nicer car for the same exact, less expensive. And they're like, oh, I was like, yeah. They're like, so you don't want it? I was like, no. All right. But that stinks. All right. So 1840 on Amy. Spy doing its thing over here. We got Oxy trying to, GME's coming up a little bit. But you have to hold it overnight. I mean, Chris, you can't do anything about it at this point. He's buying a Bugatti. No. You guys think I have millions of dollars sitting around? No. I do not have unlimited funds. We're getting there, though. Just show them your YouTube channel and you get a better deal. Dude, what if I gave him a shout out and got like this nasty lease deal? That would be hilarious. All right. Spy's trying here. GME, I want you to go. Where's AMD? I really am focused on AMD now because like Micron, it's kind of already done its thing. Those are up 261%. So let's see here. Yeah. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button too. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here watching these boom boom candles fire off. He has $200. All right, fair. You're right. I only have 200 bucks. Bing bong, the lease is wrong. Dude, it was. I was like, no. Just a Cayman for now? No. My brother was like, go look at the Porsche. And I was like, I don't want to do that. And he was like, just go look. And then I saw what they were going to like make me pay. And I was like, nope. No, thanks. It was just instant. I was like, oh yeah, no, thanks. SB is getting an MVP. What is that? I'm getting a moped. Check out Lease Hacker. Oh, I could do that. Let's see. 414, but didn't work. So I tried a 444 call in the Spy YOLO. Depending on when you got that, you're probably all right. Come on. I mean, I have the 118s for AMD this week. Okay. I mean, 88% on the Spy, 271% on Micron, 24% on AMD, 8% on Oxy. Literally printing today, people. Like, what are we doing here? We're just scheming. Everybody. So hopefully everybody's having a good day. Corolla, best car ever. Nissan GTR. No, it wasn't Nissan dealership though. I wanted a Pathfinder and they're like, we don't have any. And I was like, this is going to be difficult then. You paper-handed AMD before it started running. My AMDs are not up that much, so don't feel too bad about that. If you paper-handed Micron, I understand why you would feel terrible about yourself. I do it all the time. Like, it happens. Get a Subaru? No thanks. Not a Subaru guy. I know Rhode Island's going to not like me for that, but I'm not a Subaru fan. How's Roblox looking? I don't know, man. Let's take a look. I mean, it's going to cross, I think, if it starts to get a little bit more momentum, but it would need to get above that 200 EMA. Toyotas are nice. All right. Musk calls out President Biden during State of the Union for failing to mention Tesla. Did he actually call him out? No. Elon started beef. Where is he? Did he do it? Did he say something? Where is this? How did you do it? Is it on Twitter? No, it's February 19th. So I don't see anything on his Twitter, but that would be hilarious. Audi Subaru. Audis are just drunk. I mean, Audis just break. Do I have a video for the 1348? They're in the Discord. They're not by me. They're by Review Dork, but they're all in the Discord. So, Amy, it's your time to shine, pal. GME's coming up here a little bit too. AMD, you gonna get a little action here, pal? Yeah. Where's Oxy? What's oil doing right now? Ah. All right, folks. SPY's moving up here. This is probably going to be, I mean, I say this a lot of days recently, like, oh, this is my best trading day. And then we get to the next day and it's like, oh, shit. Let's see. Get yourself a nice Neo. That would be pretty cool. Audi's break. They're one of the most reliable cars. Well, but I do all the work on it myself. Yeah. 1841 on AMC. Ooh, SPY. Come on. Verizon issues fourth $1 billion green bond. Wait, hold on. Didn't they already do that? Verizon. I mean, okay. Not really moving. Let's see what happens over here. I don't think that's going to be a big deal. Intel to Ohio initially create. Yeah, I saw that yesterday in the State of the Union. Get a hybrid. No, I can't charge anything here. Has included trading view. Does SV use that too? Do I? No. So that's why. So the thing is that I use the strategy all the time, and we use the chat sometimes for like when things are crossing. But if you want, like literally, you'll just get all of the alerts and be able to see it for yourself. I mean, now is the best time to join up to the premium part of the Discord for the month. So I mean, if you want to test it out, you can go for it. And you're good. I mean, I've been trading this. My account is up 100%. No, more. No, I think it's up 200% now since I've been trading it. Because there's other stuff in here that I can't. I just look at the cash balance. It's like after I sell this stuff, I'll probably be up since using 1348 about 200%. Even with all those head fake, paper hand, not still with all those big plays, because every single time there's a giant move in a stock, there's going to be a 1348 somewhere. BBIG, did it shark fin? Shark fin on BBIG. I mean, it's coming back up now, so that's not that bad. But SPY's looking good over here. Let's see if it can make a new high. It's trying to get back above 439. If it breaks 439 with momentum, honestly, watch 440. Like, we could break that 440. When did you start using 1348? About a month ago. Month and a half ago about. What is it? March? So I think I started using it in the last week of January. So like a month and a week. Oxy fighting hard. What are these at? I mean, they're up 10%. Let's see here. My whole thing when I was trading without 1348 is literally in my mind. I was like, I literally just need something that's gonna keep me in a trade. That's it. I just need, because I was just paper handing stuff, and I was like, how am I gonna get? All right, new highs on SPY. Watch things start to get up here a little bit, and then once I got really comfortable with 1348, I was like, all right, I'll just wait. And it literally just keeps getting better and better and better and better and better. Like the first couple of weeks using 1348, I was still like, all right, like I got it. Like I know the crosses. Let's see how it moves. It would move around and I'd be like, ah, shoot, sell. But it takes a little bit of time to really get used to it. But once you do, it's like, it's literally it just adds so much confidence to your trading. And then you hit 285% Micron plays and 114% SPY plays. Let's see. You see 1348 everywhere? Yeah. My lunch a week ago was 1348, and I was like, that's funny. All right, here we go, SPY. 120%. Woo, let's go. Here it comes. All right, so watch 439.50 is going to be the first level. If it breaks that, watch 440. Amy's coming up here, 1844 up 0.63%. GME is up 2.43. We're looking good here, folks. AMDs are, oh my God, bro. AMDs are up 30%. The Oxys are kind of not really doing a whole lot here, which is fine. I mean, they're up 10%. Not holding them overnight, but let's see. Todd, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Former Marine with 21,248 AMC soldiers since February 2021. Want to say that you're handling this ride like a pro. Outstanding. Keep it up, Todd. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for that super. Pops up 130% on SPY. Damn. LMT's up. All right. Damn, are we gonna do that again? It's not moving though. Like it doesn't have the momentum and the juice behind it that it did yesterday and Friday. Like Friday was just ridiculous with Lockheed. Ford trying to get over 18. Interesting. Crude oil popping on Russian news. Is it now? Let me look. It's 109.34. It hasn't really moved in the last couple yeah, I've got Lockheed up here right now. It's starting to move a little bit, but I mean, a red to green move would be $7. That would be huge if it did that, but I don't know. I'm just still riding these spies out. I think these are going to be good. AMC's looking good. I mean, coming back up, it's just kind of chopping its way up here. Chop, chop, chop. Let's see. Yeah, Todd is a whale. Todd, thank you so much for that, man. I appreciate it. Max pain on LMT is 425. Could it drop? It could, but sometimes the market, if there's not a lot of action on the option chain, there's no reason for the market makers to pin. Lockheed might though. That's the thing. Like if there's unusual, like not really, it's so expensive. Like they're not really all that concerned. I don't think. So there's not really a need to pin it. Oxy, is it starting to run a little or no? Guys, give me like 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Like 2 seconds. I'll be literally right back. All right, here we go. So Amy's popping up a little bit here. Spy's trying to make a little bit of a move. Nah, 96% on Verizon? What the hell are mine at? What are mine at? I'm up 56%. That's kind of nonsense, but that's fine. 285% on Micron, 108% on SPY, 36% on AMD. There we go. There we go. Vino, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the hard work and effort you put to bring food to the table for my families. God bless you, Vino. Dude, I appreciate it, man. I really hope you're making the most of these strategies. I mean, it sounds like you are, and that's really what we want here. Like people will come in and be like, screw you. And then it's like, all right, well, we have a lot of people that we're helping. So that's really what I'm focused on. 155% on SPY. Damn, son. Woo! Amy's coming up here. I mean, you could play it on a 1348. I wouldn't though. I'm not day trading AMC. I mean, you guys kind of know when I'll start. I've said it before, when I'll start getting some calls, longer dated calls on AMC, and it's not time yet for me. Sold a SPY call at 150% gain. Don't even care if I paper handed. I'm getting better at 1348. Julie, there you go. Do you think our buys are still getting routed to the dark pool? They absolutely are getting internalized if you aren't sending it to a lit exchange. 100%. You're up 300% on the SPY. Dude, you played it a little bit risky. I think you got it back down here, didn't you? Like under the box. I got it outside the box. And you might, what's your strike? Verizon. Is there a Fed talk today? Jerome Powell already spoke. So what are your thoughts on AMC crossing up on the 15-minute? I don't think it did it? I mean, it just crossed on the 5. I think it could definitely cross on the 15 right here. 1843 on Amy over here, people. Not doing too bad, man. I mean, we're looking pretty solid going into close on a lot of things. You've got the 436. That's good. Yeah, I've got the 438 on the SPY. That's what I have on SPY. So it's in the money. It's good now. My $18 AMC YOLOs from 325 this morning are up 20%. Come on up. There you go, Sam. Can you quick show how you decide where to put the box? Absolutely. So this is how you do the boxes. Ready? So where does the price chop around? Now, this one looks weird. It's this right here that I look at. So the box just isn't extended, but these are the choppy little price levels that you see before the SPY rips right back out of it. Now you see it here. It chops around for a little bit. And then what happens? It breaks down below. Now there's another one back here. So you're literally just looking for V's or like these W's in the price action. It's very, very simple and they're pretty effective. So look, this one's all the way back here at this one, and then the low is this level right here, 402. But look what happens when we come to this. It just kisses the top of the box and then rips right back up. So holy SPY. Here we go. Verizon coming up. Here we go, folks. You got the 437 very early. Good for you, man. Okay, we're looking really good across the board today. I don't know. I mean, I'm getting better at holding stuff. You guys have kind of seen me go through like the selling off of stuff. Like 2 weeks ago, I would have sold that Micron way long ago. Jim Eagle, that's not how it works, buddy. Anytime a share is bought, a share has to be sold. So it needs to be retail net buying, which it might not be. Lies, says William. What's up, buddy? How you doing? 2 p.m. margin call. I love you guys. You guys are funny. Oh, these microns are about to hit 300%. Oh, here we go. All right, SPY coming down to test the 13. Yeah, on the 1 minute. It does this. It's just 1 minute test. Ding dong. Oh, hold your horses. You have the 436, bought it really early too. There you go. You have no idea the panic I just experienced when I lost cell service for the last 10 minutes. SPY calls are still good. Few. Rogue Civilian. Yeah, they're still good. I'm going to consider getting out of it soon. I mean, it's up 89%. Where is it on the STC? It hasn't really come back up to the top of it yet. Did it get that 5-minute MACD cross? It did, and then it came right back down. Oh, wait, that's a 1 minute. Yeah, it's just kind of not doing a whole lot on the 5 minute. Let's see. All right. Let's look here. I still think SPY can go on a run in the close. So I'm going to hold these for a while. If I need to get out, I need to get out. I haven't taken any profits on the SPY yet, though. I probably should. Like, really, I probably should. Like, on a day like today, like, protect the gain. I'm kind of swinging for the fences a little bit. I want to get my account to a certain number just for fun and to just, like, trade from there. But, I mean, you can't win them all. There's always tomorrow, the next day, the next day, the next day. Like, these things just happen all the time. 91% on SPY. There we go. Here we go, everybody. So, Amy, let's see if we can crack that 19. We're up 6 cents on the day, 1/3%. Let's see what we get here, folks. Stuck in my margin account with only 1 day trade left, trying to decide whether to take gains or let AMC play until tomorrow. What do you have, Mark? Can I look at Apple? Yeah, I mean, Apple on the 1348 today was probably really good. We saw it crossing. Yeah, so Apple crosses right here. So you can get it at 164. It's all the way up 166. That's a $2 move. That's not bad. That's not a bad day on Apple. I just saw, so I was looking at Apple when we were listening to the Fed meeting, and I was like, yeah, like, what are we doing here? Like, can I just play SPY or what should I do here? Squirrel, what do you see on the SPY, buddy? Because I think we're just going to do these bounces off the 13 still going into close. But, I mean, you never know what happens. So, I mean, we're coming back up to the 13 on the 1 minute. Two AMC $18 calls up 80%. That's tough, man. That's a tough decision. You just got to be careful with it. Like, if you think that it's going to expire worthless, like, and there's a possibility that it does, like, you got to be very careful. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. If you guys are making money today, if you guys are having fun, helps me out a whole lot. It doesn't cost you anything. That's all I ask for. Thank you, guys. Yeah, Ortex is pretty much broken today. Ortex is like not working correctly. I think Weeble is screwing with me. Bought AMC $18 calls when price was $17.80 on the 1348. Wrote it up all day. Looks like we'll break even if it hits $18.50. When did you buy them? User not found. Today or yesterday? I see it topping out. I would say take some profits and leave runners. Yeah, I mean, I've got 3 contracts on it. Problem is I wish I got another one. So if it hits 100, like it was already up over 100%, but I can't make it free and sell 2. I could sell 2 of them right now and make it free, which would be sweet. They're up 101% right now. 102%. All right. How about I do this? I'll sell 2. I'll sell 2 right here. And then leave that last one as a, how the hell did this just move so much? This must be on the 1 minute flickering. Yeah. So if it's another bounce right here, let's see what happens. Apple moving around a little bit. Amy's still looking sweet. All right. I'm probably gonna sell 2 of them. Just to take some money off the table. Let's see. Sell 2? They gonna fill me? Yeah, they filled me. So I sold 2 of the SPY contracts. I'm gonna leave that last one running. I still have that last Micron that's up 285%. I'm up like 28% on AMD. So, I mean, that is smart. If the SPY's going to run, AMD's probably going to run, and Oxy's still looking all right over here, up 7% on those. So, I mean, still up crazy amounts across the board. Having a really, really solid day. Blue is STV's uncle? No. How's Micron looking? I'm up 290%. Yeah. Also, guys, here's the deal. If you guys are making money with 1348, post that on Twitter and tag us. Like me, Gabe, or TMI, or all of us, so we can see it. We would love to see that. SPY knocking its head on the daily 200 EMA. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, it's been doing that all day, I think. We just haven't seen where it's. Yeah. We were seeing that a little earlier, too. You got $19 calls on Ford earlier today for a month out. That's not bad. Y'all see Nancy's squirrel last night? She has a squirrel, too. Good for you, Nancy. All right. Micron, play of the day today, people. Lockheed, play of the day yesterday. AMC crossing the 200 finally. It's been crossing the 200. Micron is still making new highs. Holy shit. It does not care what the SPY is doing. This is sweet. Where's AMD? Yeah, 300% on Micron. Bing bong. So when AMC reaches 1848, is it going to go up? Is that how it works? What do you mean? Why 1848? Is that, where is it? Where's 1848? I wish you would show your screen when you're selling. I don't do it on this. I do it on my phone. It's easier for me. You want to see the game? I'll tell you right now. If you don't believe me, that's fine. I'll just pull it up right here. Okay, now it's up 288%. So this is the Micron. If you guys want to see it, let me see right here. There it is, right there. You like that? That's nice, right? That's a cool one. And then SPY. Where's the SPY? 78% now on the SPY. Not bad. Or 76 now. Here it is. Bing bong. I ain't lying. Oxy, is it running? Ah, that's not good. That doesn't help my Oxy calls. Oh, I just mean when you choose options to buy. Yeah. But then people are going to be like following me into stuff. And I'd much rather you guys learn the strategy rather than just follow me around. How do you make it look like that? You can, so when you click on your position, you click like the top right thing, and it's like this little arrow with like a circle, and then it gives you that screen for your gain. BBIG barcoding again? I bet it is. So let's see here. SPY moving down now. So squirrel, that was a good call on that one. All right, let's see. Where's Micron? Is Micron still not giving a shit? It's coming down to that 13 on the 5-minute. Goatman Lou? Sergio, dude, come on, buddy. Let's think critically here. VIX breaks rules sometimes. Exactly, I do. Like I'm not a perfect trader at all. Like I do very well with it, but I'd make a lot of mistakes. 90% on Apple today. There you go. Squirrel. I mean, I'm still holding the last one. That's up 70%, which is fine with me. Yeah, I get it. That's why I said I don't want to copy. Just I know, but like people are going to do it, so I don't want to. That's not something. Amy's selling off here a little bit. SPY's getting a little candle to the downside. Ruh-roh, spaghetti-o. Sergio, come on. Let's think critically here. Let's think logically. SPY gonna dip and bring us all down? It's fine. Fine with me, man. I'll play SPY puts down to the box if I need to. What time is it? We got 10 minutes left? All right. If the candle closes below the 13, out. Oh, yeah, it's gonna. Dang, that was a nice SPY sell. All right, so Micron's coming down, touching this 13 right here. We got SPY moving down a little bit as well. Let's see. Does that Verizon do day highs? Oh, sweet. Maybe I'll sell that. Oh, 66% on Verizon. Nice. Nice. Oh, here comes the SPY. SPY's just flickering over here. All right, let's see. JK, you're the man, bro. I'm not. I'm not the man. You don't have to tell me that. Just think critically. Just be like, all right. I wonder how many shares we'll all own by the end of 2022. Oh, a shitload. You want to be my younger, smarter brother? I'm not that smart. I just know certain things about like certain things, you know? You know how that works? All right, people. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently too. This is crazy. This is wildness over here. So he said we own the float if you exclude ETS. Do you think that includes mutual funds too? Yes. Is there still charting on Webull Mobile to see the 1348 crossovers? Yes, you can set it up like that. You're already up 13% on your forward calls. Damn, son. All right, what do we got here? New Jersey had their credit rating upgraded by Moody's. Interesting. AMD, why are you being an a-hole to me? Don't play with me. Don't play with my heart, AMD. Yeah, you can use the 1348 on all time frames. You're hoping to have significantly less AMC shares by the end of the year? That's fair. That's fair. When you said that, I literally said, you know, things. Yeah, I know some things. All right, here. Oxy, Little Red. AMDs are sucking. Not really. They're up 14%. It was up like 30, 35 at one point. So let's see what's going to happen with the SPY. I mean, I could always ditch the last SPY at 81%. But again, we could have some gnarly moves into the spot on the SPY going into close. So let's see what happens with it. You smashed the leg. Sergio, I appreciate that, buddy. You got a shout out to Tom from FX Evolution, my mentor. Who's that? Is that a Twitter account, Squirrel? Is that a Twitter account? I got shouted out. That's pretty cool. Or do I have to shout someone out? I'm confused. All right, people. My shit always works sometimes. Yeah, that's how it works. SoFi is such weak sauce. Yeah, SPY test 13 and bounce. It's what it's been doing. Let's see if it's going to make a new high off of this. If it does, I mean, the trend continues. Let's see. 85% of your SPY call. I think mine are probably around there now. Yeah, 86. 86. So let's see. AMC 1819 over here looking pretty spicy. Spicy. Ready to get going to the upside, man. All right, folks. All right, here. SV the SPY is about to get a 1348 cross on the 4-hour. Oh, YouTube was talking to him for a long time last night. I'll DM you after hours. Wait. Did I get shouted out, Squirrel, or do I have to shout him out? I'm confused. SPY is about to cross on the 4-hour too, says Ryan. I mean, if it crosses, yeah, what the SPY needs to do is get way above the 200 EMA. Oh, yeah, it is about to cross on the 4-hour. 444. And that's not bad. Amy trying to make a little bit of a move back up here. Oops. Okay. Micron flickering. Oh, you were talking about me? Ah, cool. Thank you, buddy. STC indicator on SPY. Yeah, I think it's pretty low on. So it's down below. So this is what the STC is looking like on the SPY right here. So right here, we got SPY up here. We got the STC right here. Ugh. So it came up. I mean, it's still technically a green signal, but then it went red. So I honestly don't really know what to think about that. I mean, you hold it here, you sell it here if you want to, but I mean, I'm going to have to mess with this a little bit. I have to mess with this a little bit. Sometimes when I'm up a shitload, I'll use it. But on the short term, like flip plays, I don't know. It could take you out a little bit early. Does 1348 work as good on AMC call options or too fakey or manipulation? No, it works very well. AMC going to smack some cheeks soon? Yeah. Yeah, 1348 works really well. For Lent this year, I'm giving up not buying a share of AMC every day for 40 days. There you go, Bill. Is Palantir a potential play? Like for a trade, I mean, long term, I think it's going to be solid. It's very low now. I think is it sub 10 or is it still around 10? Oh, it's at 1186. That's not bad. I mean, it's down to 2.56%. I mean, if I get somehow a massive influx of cash, which I mean, 1348 or AMC squeeze, I would buy some Palantir. I mean, I used to have a bunch of it. And then in like one of my like other portfolios, and then I just ditched it for AMC because I like didn't. I was like, I need more AMC shares, so then I just sold it and bought AMC. What makes more money, SPY calls or VIX puts? SPY calls. In my mind, SPY calls because there's less time to expiration. VIX puts are going to be weekly. And SPY calls can be daily or 1 day to expiration. If you play the daily on it, you're going to make more money, like in terms of a percentage. SPY's coming up here a little bit. I like this. What is 1348? The best trading strategy to ever exist. 20% on AMD. There we go. 103% on SPY. 271% on Micron. All 1348. Has anyone tried yelling at the chart yet? I've tried it. We've had Rogue do it a few times, and it works. It works pretty well. Dion, not really, no. I don't. I have like a couple of old videos about it, but if you watch them, you're gonna be like, that's probably not the same person, but it is. Let's see. Is LMT starting to get a little spicy? Did it break 450? Nah, it did, but then it came right back down. 388% on Micron? Fucking Christ. X is, yeah, Steel's been good all day, I think. I never got in on it because the premium was a little weird, but this thing just melted up all day. Anything good on the 1348 now? I don't necessarily see anything crazy going on. I mean, AMC got a nice cross, still hovering right at that 200 EMA over here. We got the SPY moving up a little bit. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to do anything else today. Like, why risk it? Like, why risk it? Let's see. All right, Bank of Russia says no stock trading in Moscow Thursday. Russia stocks. Russia ETF, Russia stocks. What do we got? Anybody got Russia stocks? Good call on Russia stocks. Yeah. Oh, I'm not trading more. Yeah, I know. I know, Squirrel. All right, let's see. Maybe I'll do a SPY YOLO at the end of the day. No, I won't do it. RSX is that one? Is it still coming down? Yeah, it's not moving off that news. So let's see. I'm up 130% on my YOLO earnings call for Target. Needs to say about. I thought Target already reported and pumped. Bed Bath Beyond, I think looks healthy, but the let me see. No cross here. I mean, it crossed in the morning and then just kind of flailing around over here. Have you tried crying at the chart? No, you can't do that. How can you purchase Russia stock? You can purchase Russian ETFs that trade on our exchanges. Guys, also make sure you guys are hitting that like button on the stream too. Helps get some more people in here. We're going to be on until the end of the day having some fun. You bought 13 more today? There you go. Freaking Bitcoin has been range bound. Yeah, it's been kind of annoying. Charge point earnings. Honestly, Death's Touch, I don't really want to play any more earnings right now. I mean, the one big earnings play that I hit was Facebook. And all the other ones have kind of been duds. DraftKings would have been good if I held it, but I screwed that one up. Let's see, 240% on Micron. What's mine? Grape Ape. There you go, buddy. Also, Grape Ape, thanks for becoming a member today, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'm up 280 on Micron, 280%. You already made 200% on RSX puts? There you go. Oh, my legs are kind of sore. Guys, I started going to the gym again. Oh, it feels so much better all the time. What's the deal with Amy? It looks like they're shorting it still. They're always going to be shorting it. That's why we're in this play, because they're always shorting it. All right, SPY flickery over here. Masvidal or Covington? Masvidal, bro, all day long. I would always pick Masvidal. Jorge Masvidal. Dude's a beast. Covington's got skills and he's good at selling fights. I just see him talk sometimes and I know it's fake. Like I know he's just doing it for the press. When Masvidal talks, you know he's like staring right through you and he's like, "I will eat your soul." That's why I like Jorge. Ortex check on AMC. It's like Ortex is like broken today. So careful with all the Ortex stuff. Not on AIMS. I mean, there's only 52,600 shares net borrowed, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. And then 20.14% estimated short interest on it. So I don't know. That's kind of weird. You would see the cost to borrow significantly increase if it was that low. Amy, flicker and red green over here. The spy's just being an a-hole. Where's AMD? Forced liquidation warning. I love getting those. You know why? It's because my contracts are in the money going into expiration. I'll never trade Intel again after this. The damn stock doesn't move. I always usually buy Intel puts when I'm trading Intel, especially for their earnings. SPY contract up 74%. Not bad. 292% on fucking Micron. That's crazy. Oh, Oxy coming back to life a little here. Yeah, Oxy little pop. Amy little pop. 1836, 37. SPY. Let's go, people. No shills detected. Not yet. Coming to his personality CVs, I definitely fake met him a few times in person. He was mad humble. Yeah, that's what I've heard too. I met Masvidal too coming back from Vegas. He ate everything the plane had to offer. I bet he did. He's like, give me more food. Did you just say you play earnings one way? Shut up, Mark. So how do I learn the 1348 techniques? Join the free part of the Discord, watch the videos. It is also the best time of the month to join premium if you guys do want to get all the alerts, all the private live streams and date. And I'm not like put your trading on literal steroids. It is the best time of the month to try out the premium. So make sure you guys check that out. It's linked into the top of the live chat over here, and it's the first link in the description, buddy. So Amy 1840 trying to come up here a little bit. Not too bad. All right, now I'm up 90. Jeez, these contracts are so volatile. Do you ever get the feeling that Ortex is run by a classroom of second graders that say they're good at math? No. Okay. I'm not trying to be an asshole because I know the head of Ortex is like a good dude. I think some of the people at Ortex and some people there, because I know the guy that I think runs it, who also sometimes is on the Twitter account, is like an ape, I think. But Amy's popping up here, new day highs. It seems like there are a bunch of software engineers. And if you met these types of people that like think they're way smarter than they are, and then their algo is like God's gift to algo or whatever, their code. So when we are like, hey, why is the utilization 100%? And they come out and are like, this is the 100% utilization. It's like, bro, what? It's like, no, the model's right. It's like, no, I don't think it is. Like, I think it's wrong because it doesn't make any sense for it to be like that. So I don't know. That's just one theory, but I do think that they do mean very well. And are trying to help, which is why I use them all the time. And I say, hey, like Ortex, like I do in general, like overall, I do like Ortex. So much fun with 1348 today. Baby steps, only a few percentage of profit, but green is green. And I'm new here. Yeah, I think I'm up 33% on my account. Ever get the feeling you're being watched? Yep, every single time I'm on stream. Sold SPY at 120% gain. Nice. So shady input into good computers? Yes, that's what I think. Make up your mind. Spot, I think it is. I think it's going to come up here a little bit, which is fine because if that's going to pump my my Micron and AMDs and maybe even my Oxys, that's perfectly fine with me. 205% on Micron. Bing bong. Ortex is the best data source that we have. Yeah. Thanks for the 1348. Up 165 today on percent on SPY calls. Made $1,050 on it. Bro. Micron call at 433%. There you go. 2 p.m. pop. Is it making new highs yet? No. What's this? Oxy not really doing a whole lot. Where's AMD? Popping. A little bit of action on AMD and AMC over here. I kind of want this a little lower. I want this is what I want on AMC. Let's see here. Okay. The Microns aren't really moving a whole lot anymore. Disca. We haven't traded Disca in a while. Yeah. I mean, it looked good. I mean, this is a good trade throughout the day, especially if you got it back in this range right here when it's hovering the 13. Amy coming up. SPY moving up. There we go. Take it easy on that water. No, I'll just have to get up and go to the bathroom. My Micron raised my account 83% today, bro. Adam Aaron tweet. Oh boy, Adam Aaron tweet. It's like I'm addicted to crack. Here we go. Oh, it's the same thing. AMC Q4 of 2021, 60 million guests in our theaters, 8 million a year ago. Oh wow, that's really good. Revenues per patron 25% more than pre-pandemic 2019. Woo! 160 million in EBITDA, 220 million operating cash generated. A record 1.8 billion of year-end liquidity. So encouraging, but more needs to be done. Not bad, man. Not bad. So join the gift card because you feel like the first of every month. Rick, I mean, I'm not sure what you mean there, buddy, but the Discord is, I mean, it now is you get the most value at this time of the month. You got to watch Batman. Whoever wrote the script must be an ape. I won't spoil the reference that was made in the movie. No way. No way. Dude, I'm going to see it on Sunday. I'm so pumped. Dude, I can't wait to go see it on Sunday. That's going to be a fun day. You're at 30% on my Ford calls already. Hey, man, you could make that free if you wanted to. I would just I don't know. I don't know your risk tolerance. I don't know anybody's risk tolerance. I'm up 25% on AMD, 104% on SPY, 300% on Micron, and up 3% on Oxy. Oxy's not really doing a whole lot for me right now. So eventually I'm probably going to take the Oxy back today. Your Micron calls up 3,000%. Jesus. I haven't seen Batman yet. No, I'm going to go see it Sunday. SPY, AMD. Come on. Get up there, pal. But 100 more AMC under 18. Also bought calls for 318. There you go. Look at the names of the Riddler followers. Interesting. What are the names? Robert Pat. Yeah, see, I'm not a fan of Robert Pattinson playing Batman. I'm just not a fan. Guys, also, if you don't mind, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see here. All right, let's see. Pay attention when you see Batman. Luke comes out in the background. Oh, God. Holy crap. SPY's up over 2% today. Yeah, dude. It's up 2.13%. It's insane. Para up almost 10% on the day. Jesus. You look like Robert Pattinson? Maybe. I'm Batman. Up 79%. Thank you, 1348. How much? Interesting. Interesting. All right. 304% on Micron. That's a print right there. Let's see. AMD coming up a little bit. SPY starting to make a little bit of a move. 28% on AMD. I need more, though. I need more. BAM is bullish for tomorrow morning. Oh, God. Oh, boy. I don't know. I don't even know how to react to that. I just don't know. Let's see. GM call, 45.50, up 78%. There you go. There you go. Lou actually plays the bat signal. Oh, that would make a lot of sense. You guys hear that? I need your expertise on charts on Intel. Not an expert, but I'll give you my opinion. Are you not doing well on Intel? Intel's over here making new day highs. SV got wrenched. Like, it's doing really good. Like, Intel is solid. I don't know when you bought it, but like Intel's just been melting up the entire day. SPY, new day highs, bing bong, squirrel. I'm just kidding. I don't really care. You're doing great. I thought someone's in here saying that maybe it was STV's Flicker that didn't want that was struggling with Intel. Let's hear, folks. So AMC 1837 over here. GME new day high. Very nice to see. SPY new day highs. Where's AMD? AMD. This is the original stock that I bought. It's looking solid. Would you ride Micron into tomorrow? No. And I'm telling you what I'm doing with my position. That's not anything that you should do. I'm telling you right now, I will be selling my Micron. 304% on Micron. I mean, that will get taken back. I will take that. Where's Verizon's up 58%. That's not bad. Silly question. What do the various icons next to people's usernames mean? Proper eye candy. Those are members of the channel. So those people just want to show their support and become members of the channel. So honestly, thank you guys for all the memberships. You guys are awesome. Thank you. AMC 1838 over here. If it's still moving solid until 4 p.m., should I hold overnight? I'm not holding anything overnight. You guys kind of know the deal with me. You can if you want to. I just don't like to. Like right now, it's just not. I mean, I could be completely wrong and the market's going to trend back to the upside. But in my opinion, it's like it's not worth it for me to do it. Like if I see a big gain, unless it's like a TLT or something that I need to hold. Like the TLT was up 200% yesterday, the call side. You know what the call side's up today? Overall, 12%. Like it's not really doing a whole lot. Let's see. Also, TMI was mimicked in the movie? Bro, what? What is this? Like the ape movie? Like Batman's just like the movie of the apes? Like this is kind of wild. You know who is not selling her Micron diamond hands? Pelosi? True. Pelosi is just AMD. Come on now, pal. No, Jack, thank you for the daily quality entertainment and info. WebTwerp, I appreciate that, buddy. Alrighty, folks. Jesus. All right. This is wild. This is wildness today. I am 8-man. When is Theta gonna crush me on these dailies? It depends. It depends. It depends. If SPY keeps going in the direction that you want and you're counteracting Theta, all right. AMD new day highs. This could be a printer right here. I went kind of big on some of these positions today, and they're all doing pretty good, except for the Mara this morning. That sucked. Let's see. Oh, and I had a SPY call in the morning that I sold for a loss. I had a SPY put this morning that I sold for a loss on this candle. And then I got SPY calls over here and then cranked it. So those, I think, were the only trades that I lost on today. The initial SPY call and put, and then Mara. What broker do you use to day trade options? Webull. I hate Mara. Never again. Just made my AMD 120 calls free. I have 5 runners left. Woo! There you go, buddy. Love to see that. I mean, these are looking good going into close. I mean, we got AMD like here, I think, somewhere around here. I mean, I'm surprised that it's not up more. I'm surprised. I am like a little bit shocked at this. They're only up 36%. Oxy, hold on. What's going on with you, pal? How many AMDs do I have? I don't have very many. So SPY's moving up here nicely. 127% on SPY, 360% on Micron. Nice. 1835 on AMC. You chased the SPY too. It worked out for you though. Webull is trash like Robinhood, not for options. So mad I got out of Micron at 35% because I had to go to the doctor. I mean, you got to do what you got to do sometimes. If AMC can cross over 1861 in the 15 minutes, she'll run hard. What do you mean? Like a closing candle above that on a 15-minute candle? Maybe. Thinkorswim is good too. Yep. Thinkorswim is very good as well. Let's see here. Sold your Oxy? Yeah, mine are flat. I might take those back. Honestly, that's probably what I'm going to do here. See if I can snipe it from someone. I don't really want it anymore. Yeah, I got out of the Oxy. It's flat. Completely flat. So, well, let's see what we got going into the end of the day here. We got 314% on Micron, 113% on SPY, 36% on AMD. So, let's see what we get. The commodity plays recently for me, it's behooved everybody to hold them overnight. The problem is that that's really risky. Let's see here. Also, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube stuff. So thank you guys very much. I appreciate that. Let's see here. So your Oxy up like 88%. There you go, man. There you go. Held SPY since this morning, up 201%. There you go. All right. AMD starting to get a little action over here, which I like. Exxon up 3%. Yeah, that was a good one. 37% on AMD now. I mean, they're all free. These are all free contracts. This is crazy. The free contract, like, this is ridiculous. Did you just say behooved? Yes, I did. There's 1,400 people in here, but I'll buy 1 share of AMC. Let's make it rock a little bit. There you go, Shauna. GME doing its thing over here. Let's see. Sold one of my Micron up 220% and picked up some more because I'm a degenerate. Jesus. Yeah, 33% AMD. I'm up 37%. 38% now. It's flickering a little here. So let's see if we can get that 5-minute MACD cross on AMD. That'd be sweet. Same thing with the SPY. Like it's been coming up and the MACD is just like, nope. Let's see. $596 on the SPY today. How'd y'all not get faked out on the SPY this morning? Because this is what we did. We literally just looked at it like this. I did get faked out on the SPY here twice. I had calls here rejected, and I knew this was going to happen. I was just hoping that it didn't. I was like, all right, so if it approaches this and breaks out, then it's going to do this move like that we saw here, just starting earlier, but then it got rejected here, came back up, little bit of resistance over here, and then boom. So what we did on the SPY was we got this 1348 crossover here. It's above the 200 EMA, but we needed it above this box. So once we get these candles shooting up above this box, then it's go time. Oh, Amy, little pop here. Come on now, pal. Come on, Amy. Let's see. All right, folks. Yeah, also, Oxy going to rip into close now that you close your position. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? You know what I would love to rip into close? Micron, SPY, and AMD. GME cross on the 15. That would make sense. What about on the 30? It's approaching it on the 30. That would be pretty sweet. Let's see. BBIG trying again. Yeah. SPY doing its thing again, coming down to test that 13 after making a new day high. Luxuries of 2 phones and 2 headset SVT and SVT live together. There you go. You're supposed to put a stop loss at 15%. Okay, so you have to have a stop. You have to, if for me, I do a mental stop because I don't want to mess around with market orders. I just don't like them. I don't want to deal with it because I trade stuff that's sometimes illiquid and the spreads are big. And if there's a market order, then I could just get taken down to the bid and get absolutely hammered and sparked on that sell. And it goes from a 20% loss to a 35% loss like that. So the reason why I use like the mental stop, you can do a stop limit, which is a little bit better, which you can set up. It's not that hard. But I just do a mental stop. And once I start to see it move in the wrong direction, I'll just put limit orders in there and get out. SPY back up here. AMD trying to get a nice little run here. Guess what's happening during power hour? I don't know. I don't know. You are truly the best radio for the stock market. Thank you. Appreciate that. Market orders don't always fill on stop losses. Robert, true. They won't always fill. That's kind of the issue with it. All right, folks. You get a free comic book at the movie? Interesting. Hey, Thomas. Let's use our brains a little bit here. Yeah, let's use our brains. Why? My mental stop game is my weak point in trading before this week. Yeah. Alex, you got to be, it's just the discipline. BBIG's going. All right. Is it doing it? Fine. I'll do it myself. How much is that? Oh, that's a lot. That's not a lot. That's not enough. Is that enough? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to get some BBIG YOLOs for fun time. And hopefully I can get filled on it. If not, this is going to go to 0. So I got a little YOLO on BBIG for the end of the day to literally just quick flip it because I've had a lot of fun today. So let's see what happens. Yeah, volume picking up here too. I don't know. Let's see. It's already done this. So now it's starting to come back to the upside here. That could be pretty sweet if it starts to get going. If it doesn't, cool. I'll just sell it. You getting the 3? Maybe I did. Maybe I did. Oh, AMD coming through for us. Yeah, there we go. New highs. SPY trying as well over here as well. Ooh, hold on. TMI coming over. Let's see. We got the Mask Gang filtering in. Let me shoot TMI that link really quickly. Mask Gang, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. It helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here. I think I'm the only one streaming Amy right now. So let's get some more eyes on hopefully some boom boom candles. Oh, here comes AMD with an absolutely wild moon mission over here. I like this at the end of the day. 42% on these. Woo! 330% is what I'm up on Micron. King Dame, that's really good. 250% is solid. Did you buy in the money or out of the money? I bought out of the money. I just YOLO'd it. Like, that's literally what I did. I spent, let's see, I spent $87. So I went really small. Just notice that only one of the three of us has hit the liked in the chat. When you agree SCBs is way more than that. Margo, I appreciate that. AMD is making new highs over here. This is pretty sweet. Wait, hold on. All right, cool. We're good. All right, here comes AMD in the close. This is pretty nice over here. Just absolutely going on a moon mission. Same thing with the SPY. I still have that Micron printed for me. All right. This is nice. This is real nice right here. This is going to pay for like a new car. GME candle. Yeah, a little bit right here. So GME's up 2.9%. AMC's up 7 cents, third of a percent over here. Posted in the community gains Discord, got 36% in the SPY calls today. It hit the target price and sold. Not too shabby. The AR guy. Atta boy. That's what we love to see. All right, people. So if you guys were hanging out with me a little bit earlier, you know what we were playing. AMD, SPY, Micron, those are all just absolute print city over here. So Mass Gang, thank you guys so much for filtering over here. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot getting some more people in here with YouTube algorithms and ranking and stuff. Yeah, let's get some of those numbers up, get some more people in here. You guys have been super supportive recently. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you. Could have made 50 grand on Austin. We've been over this, dude. We got to get you on some trading strategies so you can look at the chart and just be like, yeah, whatever. I'm not actually right on the day. 280% on Micron. Whoop, whoop. There you go. Only 53,000 shares borrowed on AMC today. That's weird. Yeah, I think Ortex is glitching. It's having a little bit of it's like bugging out a little bit. So SPY's doing that thing where it tests that 13 EMA on the 5-minute and continues to make these new highs. So let's see if it wants to continue. Righty. So 35% AMD. That's not bad. 93% SPY, 3 to 30% Micron. Ho, 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 ho. Hello.
That's funny. That is hilarious.
Hey,
I think that's Jay Brown calling me right now.
Oh, is it?
Oh, shoot.
Can you hear me?
Oh, there we go. So Jay Brown, if you're watching STV stream right now, I swear I'm not avoiding you. It's just the timing of that call, and I got on just a bit off. I will call you back. I promise. He just said, "Hit me up." Dude, what's going on? How's the place for you,
bro? Probably top 3 trading days ever.
Today?
Yeah.
Solid. What'd you play?
Micron is still printing 314%. I only got one contract left. SPY cut some of those at over 100%. The AMDs are looking good. Those are up 32%. And then because it was such a nice day, I did like a little $100 YOLO on BBIG because it
how'd it work out?
I
had a nice green candle like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, it looks like it might start to run a little bit, but we'll see. I'm holding these SPYs and Microns and AMDs going into close. I think it could get a little bit of a run, but if not, I'll take the gains and be out. How's your day going?
Decent. I've so far the only play that didn't work out for me was one Tesla call. Tesla put. Outside of that, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I went 11 for 12 today. I was freaking.
That is ridiculous.
Scalping, but it was six of them were Tesla calls, 2 of them were SPY, one Roblox play.
You played Roblox? Interesting.
Yeah, had a little. It was a quick scalp. Somebody else called it up on stream. I don't know what the hell happened. I don't think it wasn't a huge day for me in regards to monetary, but the hits was a high number. I don't usually trade this often.
I usually burn through the cash balance, and today I just didn't need to. So I'll just be in and out of stuff. And
was it longer plays?
No, I'll just like burn right through it. Just take a bunch of trades. And today I was just like,
today was longer plays.
Yeah,
like you stayed in them longer because it kept going.
Yeah, I didn't need to get out of stuff. It was just a solid day.
Nice. Yeah, I think today worked in the inverse, where it was like the midday afternoon were better for plays than the morning was. Like typically the morning was, I think it's like the best time to make quick scalp plays with like all the volatility. Today from like I don't know, 12 till 1:30 was pretty cool. But it was the Fed talk though.
Oh, right after, yeah, I was on my way to get lunch and I just saw it just go whoop, and I was like, all right, they must have said something good.
Yeah, those bounce plays were stupid. I had one play for a Tesla call that was supposed to be 5 contracts and only one filled, and it went
Oh,
up 80%, but only one filled. And I was just like,
oh God.
it is what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
but that
Steven made $1,300 today. Thanks for the show. Been watching the daily 1348. Been working great since I figured it out.
love it,
Boom.
love it. TMI is your mentor, Nancy. The funny thing is, I was on the stream for it, and yes, to answer your question, yes, my mentor is Nancy. Inside information, Nancy. That's her.
There you
Listen,
go.
people, like you guys like to make fun of Nancy Pelosi. I think you guys just don't see what I see in Nancy. She is
Yeah.
a wealth of knowledge. It's
She's
inside
also very
information.
wealthy.
Yes, inside information if she gets it, but not if I get it from her. That's not inside information. She's a public official. It's her job
Right.
to get. She works for me.
Exactly.
If I ask her a question, it's her job to answer.
Exactly.
That's the way I see it. The
I
next
did
play I'm seeing right now would probably be a breakout of Uvxy. If it breaks above that 30, it could go for a little bit of a run.
Yeah, I got out of my last SPY call. I might sell the last Micron too. That's up crazy. I don't know. I'm kind of waiting to see what it does in these next couple of candles.
Oh shit! I mean, I wasn't focused. I wasn't focused.
What happened?
I bought Tesla calls that were up a couple $100 right now. Now they're sitting at even. Whoops.
Ooh, that's fine though.
Yeah,
You gonna hold them overnight?
These ones, yes. These ones, yes, because they're a hedge.
Okay, that's fair.
Where's Tesla right now?
Tesla
is at
868.
Yeah, these
Coming down
ones.
a little.
Yeah, these ones, yes, because I still have some short shares in market.
Okay.
Oh, UVX, look at that. UVXY just freaking sprinted up. Did you see that?
Starting to go? Yeah, SPY's coming down now. I'm gonna take this
I
last
hope
one
somebody got those scalps. That is another freaking play on the books. Yeah, so that's a crossover on the 1 minute.
Is it?
Then,
so you're playing the 1 minute? Yeah, I just sold the last Micron for like
for UVXY. If you look at the 1 minute, sometimes you'll just get these stupid breaks. Like it happened this afternoon at 1:47, 1:45.
Yeah.
Just before the crossover on the 1 minute, it just completely ran up, and it's doing it again. It's just.
I held Verizon calls overnight too, and those were up a little bit. It was so small though. I was like, all right, a little cash balance boost. Let's see what happens.
You know what? Yeah, I probably shouldn't hold. I told the Discord I wouldn't hold. I probably shouldn't do it.
Yeah, I'm leaving my AMDs right now just in case.
Okay, all right. How many contracts are you gonna hold overnight?
0.
What? You're leaving AMDs
for like the next couple hours.
Oh,
until close.
I
just sold the Verizons. I had those overnight. I got out of the SPY. I sold the last Micron.
All right, fine. I'll get out of my calls, whatever.
But I'm holding the AMDs because on a little bit of a rebound here.
Tell TMI he was repped in Batman movie. All right, respects. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Oh boy.
Appreciate that.
Big bar on Oxy, up or down. I did have Oxy calls. Hopefully it's not going up. Don't you do it to me. Fuck. Dude, these commodity plays are just.
Oh, you got out of the Oxy calls. I hate that. I know what you mean.
Screwing with me. I don't know. AMDs are up 24%. That's not bad.
I like that. Okay, if UVXY runs up past 1859, which is still a significant difference where it is right now, this thing is going to it's going to the moon, baby.
We'll see what happens. It's coming. Are you on the 1 minute with it?
I'm on the 1 minute right now. Yeah.
Oh, you're looking at the 200? I like that. It may not get there though. It could.
I know. That's what I'm saying. It's still distant.
Run up here and just reject hard.
Yeah, it's still distant. It's getting a little bit of rejection right now because it's hitting that previous high. Not the previous high, but like the high that it had like from half an hour, 45 minutes ago.
One, yeah.
And I'm just like, okay, if it can consolidate a little bit, it gets a little bit of a couple of handle going, then this thing could really start going towards a 200 EMA. So we'll see.
I think, yeah.
We'll see. All right, I'm gonna hop out of here. You guys have fun. Buddy. Don't forget to smash that like button, engage with the video. Philip Martinez is cancel culture. What the hell are you talking about?
Yeah, Philip's been misbehaving in the live chat today.
Phil, do you need to get? No, I can't say that.
He did. He just got put on the steps for a little bit, and now he's back.
Oh, I was gonna say spanked, but then I just didn't. You never
He
know.
did. He got
right?
a little bit of spanking, put on the steps, and he's back talking nonsense again. He's on thin ice.
Don't fall through that ice. There's polar bears under there.
Mm-hmm.
Just saying. Sold Micron calls for 434% at a $93 strike. Nice. T-My, do I do film production, flatten your green screen? Oh, flatten your green screen and it'll work better? Hey, good tips.
I just got cucked it on the Oxy. Damn it.
Oh, damn. Hey, man, look, a win's a win.
Yeah, I got it out for flat, even, no loss, so no blood on it.
Yeah, because you made a shit ton with Micron calls, and I sold out halfway through that run. So, I mean, I'm not worried about it too much. I only cried a little bit. All right, buddy. Take care. Catch you in a bit.
Later, buddy. March 3rd. I just saw his name. Did you guys see that? His name came in as March 3rd. Guys, again, you heard the man. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Help engage with the content. Helps get this out to some more people. We are going to be on until close. I'm still nursing these AMDs. Let's see what happens with the SPY over here. These are up 22%. Oh, spaghetti-o. All righty, folks. Puts on VZ. I don't have it anymore. I ditched it for like 60%. Ung finally pushing up. Don't you do this to me? That's kind of weird. Oh, that's on the 1 minute. Let's see. Let's see. Sold 10 calls on Micron at 3,600%. Letting the other 10 calls ride. Jesus, man. Tomorrow is March 3rd. It's over. I swear to God, if I see people coming in here that say, oh my God, it didn't squeeze on March 3rd, it's over. I'm gonna ban you because you are not like, you can't, you should not be involved. You just need to you need to chill. Like that's kind of how it's gotta be. Let's see. Whoa, AMD selling off here. All right, time to go. Wait a second. All right, I ditched it for like 18%, I think I got on it. Whoa, that was a dirty trading day. All right, so now I just saw that the cash balance on 2. That was pretty sweet. Chat tomorrow is going to be stressful. Yeah, I'm going to have some issues with it, but it's fine. It's fine. And you got to deal with that type of stuff sometimes when you're doing this. So I have those BBIGs. Let's see. I still have lucid nonsense over here. So let's see. I'm going to leave some of those. All righty, people. How we doing? AMD selling off. Intel still going. I'm not going to touch it. What else do we have crossing here? Because we could play some crosses. We do have some time left in the day. 1348 possible golden cross clean spark. You got to take the... Yeah, I got out of the AMDs. So, not bad. Not bad. SPY was really good. AMD was pretty good. Yeah. Let's see. You can give me a wrench. Oh, Squirrel does deserve a wrench. There you go, Squirrel. Why March 3rd? Because people need something to talk about, I guess. All right, SPY pulling back up here. AMD not really doing its thing over here. So it's March 3rd in Australia. Why is it AMC squeezing? Yeah. Nothing's on March 3rd. People need to chill out with these dates. Exactly, man. Exactly. All right, people. Let's see what we're going to get going into the end of the day. What do we got here? I mean, the BBIGs are flat. What's up with Biggie over here? Is it moving or no? We getting buyers? No. BBIG. Whoa, that's a 1 minute. What's it on the 5 minute? Oh, shark fin. Shark fin. Run, Oxy, run. Mike V, don't you do this to me. Yeah, Oxy coming up. Here's what we're going to do. Here's honestly what we're going to do. We're going to do a little baby play on Oxy. And we're going to hold it overnight. How's that? How's that for you? You guys like that? We're doing a little baby Oxy and we're playing it overnight. YOLO. All right. And I want to try to get out of these right here for this. All righty. Yay. Here we go. Please give input on retail 90% video that you made because you voted. Philip, I didn't make a video like that. and you can get put in timeout. And I'm going to make a video on the 90% tonight and explain it to you. But if you keep coming in spewing nonsense stuff, I'm just going to ban you because it's not even like worth coming in and discussing this with you because you're just like, no, number. It's like, bro, relax. One of us. Yeah. 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 XX. I talked about that one a while ago. That's pretty interesting. You're mostly auto only, but we'll do what I can do. SV Squirrel. Thank you, buddy. You started the rumor. All right, people. So Spy's kind of flickering around over here. What's oil doing right now? 111. Yeah, it's coming up. Let's see. AMC coming up a little bit here. Back to flat. NVG crossing. Interesting. All right. Let's see what happens. I'm going to hold that overnight, so I don't really care what it does right now. What's today? Wednesday? All right, cool. That's fine. GME coming up a little bit here. Spy starting to move back to the upside. You think they filled me on the... All right, let's see. Oxy's chilling out around here. Spy moving. Amy moving. Here we go. Ford is getting ready to break the 200 on the 2 hour. Interesting. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Missed my Batman period to a town hall meeting on the 1st. No, that's no fun. That's no fun, man. All right, guys. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support. It helps out a whole lot. Tim, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. SG is crossing. What's SG? Sweet green. Yeah, but it's still below the 200 EMA over here. Spy might cross upward on the 1 minute. The current trend continues. It could. Vino, it could. It easily could. All right, so sweet green is coming up a little bit here. UVXY puts equals poverty special spy calls. Interesting. RKT continues to melt up. 1.04 dividend buy and hold through Friday. There you go. That's not the dumbest thing in the world. All right, I'm gonna hold these oxys overnight for fun. It just needs to go up a couple dollars tomorrow. Let's see. Lockheed. There, Lockheed goes a little bit. Not much, though. Oh, Amy. Candles. Not big, but like it's up 4 cents now from being down in the depths, down 3%. So 1836 on AMC over here. Spy's trying to move up a little bit. Micron Rocket. That's fine. We already made a shitload on it. I mean, oh no, it's kind of done now, I think. Kind of done. All right, people. You know what we need in the chat? Some rockets and basketballs. Jay, what's up, man? How you doing? Jim Eagle, that's not how it works. Jim, that's not how it works. Please stop thinking that. Volume, okay. Where would they get the shares, though? You think they're just printing everything? If you think they're printing everything and selling it directly to retail, I get what you're saying, but that's very, very unlikely today. Why did Micron take off and not AMD? Honestly, that's a good question. I'm not necessarily sure. Nancy stocks 2 hours ago. Fell more yesterday than I think everything else. Oh, here come the rockets and basketballs. There we go. All right, people. Let's do this thing. You bought 13 more shares of AMC today because Reddit said it guaranteed mass. Mark, there you go, bud. Let's see. Your Canon printer is printing. I don't know what that is, but that's interesting. Oh, like an actual printer? Interesting. Oxy, what's going on here? Volume is not a result nor a cause. Volume is a result, not a cause. I'm assuming apes are selling 0 shares and buying all the volume. Right, but you can't assume that because that's like I can't think of another assumption, but that you can't make that assumption. Let's see. AMC 1831 over here. Alrighty, folks. What are we gonna get over here? Spy trying here. It's trying to move up a little bit. So let's see what happens with Oxy. It's just kind of flickering around a little bit. What's up, the new guy? How you doing, buddy? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I almost did something silly there by accident. All right, let's see what we got. The TLT might come back to life at some point. SPY trying to move a little bit here, but it's not really doing a whole lot. AMC looking for some candles to the upside over here. So volume is a cause of demand? Pretty much, yes. And supply. It just depends on who wants to sell, who wants to buy or sell more that day. Let's see. All right. So Amy trying to pop up a little bit here. Ooh, Oxy could be good. Let's see. Best Buy, Big Lots, Burlington, and Kroger all have earnings pre-market tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not touching anything. I'm probably done with earnings for a while. The only thing I kind of want to play is Occidental going into the end of the week. I believe in AMC, but I don't believe in the market. It's rigged. We're all losing and nothing will happen until shorts are forced covered. Or you can trade with 1348, make a bunch of money. And then if you want to buy AMC, you can. That's a lot of people have been doing that, man. VIX popping on the 5-minute. Is it? UVXY selling off here. SPY's moving up. But you show your ignorance to market makers. Yeah, Philip, you're just very wrong. You haven't made an actual statement. Philip, I want you to type out like an actual statement and then say it. And it has to have a point. Like you have to say, this is my point. And if you don't, you're going to get banned because you're just spewing nonsense. Like that's just how it's going to be. Oxy, what are we looking at over here? Yeah, chilling. Don't call me a clown when I provide info. Yeah, exactly. Let's see. Amy, 1837. She wants to get going. SPY coming up a little bit here. Where's oil? Oil sold off a little bit. Do you think the SPY comes down tomorrow? I think it's very possible that it does. Lol banning everyone that doesn't align with your views? No. That's not what it is. There's just no point. And it's just like, do math like it's not. Okay, my point is we can sell, buy, and buy today. That's not a point. What do you mean by that? You can, yes, obviously you can sell and buy today, bro. Like, what are we doing? SPY has disjointed from TLT so much recently. It seems to follow inverse of UVXY much more closely. Yeah, it does. I mean, TLT is going to give you the flow of money usually in the like bond market where it's going. And like, you see, you still haven't really, like, it can take a while to play out and then it just comes back in a big way. Right. You can still buy. Right. Okay. So you're saying they're printing synthetics. They could be. They easily could be, man. They easily could be. But you're also buying from somebody. Yeah, you tried to be me on the Lockheed and got faked up. Weird that no big player is stepping up after all these big earnings. What's the volume on it today? Yeah, very strange. It's like a very like, you just see not a lot of volume, 27.56 million. It's up 7 cents on the day. It's just not moving. Did I see what Charles Gasparino tweeted? No, I try not to look at things that make my brain and eyes feel like I've dumped vinegar or vodka in them. All right, people. Amy trying to get a little bit of action over here. 1840. Oxy starting to move back up to the upside here too. Let's see what happens with this. AMD candles. Shit. I mean, SPY's coming up, so I wouldn't surprise me if AMD was coming up too. Yeah, AMD, nice candle there. Tito's vodka? Nah, that's what you use to slice open your finger. That's how that works. Your finger gets sliced with Tito's. Guys, also, if you don't mind, hit that like button on the stream on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I really, really appreciate it, guys. How's the finger? It's fine now. It's like all good. All good as new. It's still kind of gnarly, but did I paper hand AMD? Yeah. Not really. I mean, I took a 17% gain. Very simple. Make money while we wait for AMC to be settled. Evolve or get left behind. True. That's why we have 1348 in the Discord. Is there something happening on March 3rd? No. AMC 1842. AMD's coming up. GME 122.55. SPY starting to move up here a little bit. Ho, 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 ho. We could get a little bit of a run into close. Are we going to get a power or a sour hour? Bought the 450 call on the 5-minute cross on 13.48, 477 with the 4. It happens. His finger was never hurt. It was really bad, actually. I'm surprised that it healed. Paper-handed Micron this morning. The self-loathing is weird. Yeah, it hurts. It hurts. Use Weeble. DraftKings has a couple of whales battling it out. And does it now? DraftKings. What do we got? Not maybe. It's just kind of staying flat over here. It's kind of banging its head on this 200 EMA. Let's see. I'm waiting to sacrifice myself for amazing power hour. You want to get sacrificed now, Amanda, or later? Jose, I literally don't care what you do. Like, I literally don't care. You can do whatever you want. Let's see. You've been saying shorting the VIX and it's looking good. There you go, buddy. There you go. Amy, 1842. Let me do it. There you go. Okay, you could do it. You could do it. You could do it. SCB got wrench. SPY. We were talking about this 439 level a lot earlier. If it can really break and hold, and then 439.50 was the other level that we would need to see it like steadily broken in order to get to 440, and we just didn't see it yet. The high of the day is 439.46. Just don't point your finger at Tito's and you make it bit. Yeah, exactly. Ho ho! What's up, Lee? How you doing, buddy? Good to see you back in here, man. Hopefully you're having a good day. Making some trades with 1348. Having a time over there. Woo! Lee, good to see you in here, buddy. Hey, Speed, can you please explain how the 200 EMA factors into the 1348? It shows the longer-term trend. Let's see. Efra Soccer mod is a clown. Who's a clown? My mods are not clowns because I asked about Max Payne for AMC. Interesting, but I parked to check it. Thanks for the help. You can time me out again for that. Efra, I don't know what you're talking about there, but interesting. All righty. That's a timeout. I'm not going to. No. Do you think we can go into 22 before this weekend? It's possible. It's possible. Why is Philip still in here? Nah, he likes watching me, which is fine. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of weird, but it's okay. Let's see. Mark, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Started playing with around with 1348 with the $20 remaining dry powder in my account. 2 weeks later, that has turned into $239. Dude, there you go. Yeah, I think I'm up somewhere in the neighborhood of like 150 to 200% since 1348. This is getting fun. Oh God. Hate watcher. Yeah. I guess so. I mean, it happens sometimes, but it's okay. It happens. You're on the internet all the time. It tends to happen. Daniel, interesting. Well, hey, Daniel, you should have been in here a little bit earlier for the 300% Micron play. That probably could have given you some more money, or the 100% SPY, or the big AMD, or anything else that we got going on over here. Daniel, you can be a hater, but you should join the Discord and stop being a little bitch, because why aren't you making money? Like, I don't know. You must not understand what goes on around here. The shills are fun today. I like it. This is fun. Let's see. Anyone tested GME AMC 1348 performance straddle? Why would you do a straddle on it with a, that's kind of weird. All right, everybody. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. We got SPY moving around over here. Where's Oxy? Oxy making a move yet? Nah, just kind of chilling. Just kind of chilling. Let's see. Oh, that Verizon put. Oh, was it good? Was it good? Oh, Verizon coming down pretty hard here. I mean, I'm happy I got out of that for 60%. That was nice. UVXY popping back up. Ho, 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 ho. All haters are mad they're not making as much money as you. That's fair. Like, that's completely fair. I mean, the people in the chat too are making stupid money too. What time frame is most of your trades? First hour? I think so. I think that's where most of them I take. So SPY just kind of hanging around this 13 EMA over here. AMC 1841 up about 11 cents now, trying to pop back up. Can you ask DMI to send out the margin calls again, please? Oh, I'll try. You can tell who lost money today based on the comments. Yeah, that's true. They hate us because they ain't us. Very true. Very true. Let's see. Me too dumb to make money? Rands, you're absolutely not. The 1348 is literally built so like the strategy is built so like a monkey could do it. Or an ape. If you want to frame it like that. GME popping off the 13 over here. Amy 1842 up 0.5%. Let's see. Look at BBIG trying to give you your YOLO. Well, good thing I got out of it. I don't have it anymore. I paper hinted it. Yeah. So I don't have any BBIG. I like got in and out really quick because it didn't move fast enough for me. I was just like, nope. Yeah, no, I don't like it. There was no 1348 behind it. It was just a YOLO. And you guys know me, when there's no 1348 or something crazy behind it, I tend to sell things early, and that's exactly what I've done. So let's see. Why is Bear going crazy? I don't know. Guys, I got over like a 0 lot. Like, I don't really care. Market's up 700, so if you're losing money, you might want to find a new hobby. Yeah, maybe. You prefer the Fetty Wap strategy? 1738. Interesting. Clown handed it. Yeah, exactly. Every single time. Watch it hit like crazy numbers right now. Amy popping up. SPY moving up here a little bit. Uvxy. I will take it to 0. There you go, STV Squirrel. SCV biggest retail rug puller. Interesting, because whenever I sell, it just goes up. How am I a rug puller? Philip, do you think I have enough money? Do you thank you for thinking that I am like filthy rich, that I like tell people to buy stuff and then I just rug pull it and sell into them. Like that's all right. 1845 on AMC over here. Let's see. Can you check UNG? I don't really want to, but I can. All right, UNG. Oh boy, UNG popping up over here. 1681 on UNG. Let's see. STV needs your 1348 callouts. What about the ones that I give out all the time, buddy? Philip, yes, $200. Damn, this is fun. Oh, UNG is coming up here a little bit. That's not bad. Is natural gas getting a little bit of a pop here? Yeah, natural gas is coming up. Oil's coming up here a little bit too. I know you're poor. Why would you waste your time talking to me? Oh, that's funny. So Philip's calling me poor now, but then also said that I was rich by rug pulling. Philip is really good at just not making points today. This is very interesting. Welcome to Shillville. Exactly. This is just fun. Are you not entertained? I know this is. Don't ask for max paid. It's 18, Ephra. Let's see. Trap key is stuck in my head now. That's not good. That's not. Oh shoot. What is this? People are calling me, and I just cannot answer the phone right now. Hello, you've reached Short Levix. Neo going on a little run? Is it now? Or 1348? Yeah, sorta. William, thanks for the super. I appreciate that, buddy. You did not look at the 30-minute chart for BBIG? No, I definitely didn't. Sorry. Give me a play I need to recover. I mean, this is not really the time. I can't. This is not really the time that I would do it. All righty. Let's see here, people. What do we got? Amy chilling. SPY Timber. Yeah, where's UVXY? Above that 200 yet? On the 1 minute, it might be doing it. Nah, not yet. It's close though. UNG is UNG going? UNG. What do we got? Oh, UNG is ripping. Where's Oxy? Nothing. 0 on Oxy right now. Have a great birthday. It's not my birthday, but you know. LMAO, you're like 6 hours short if you wanted to play to recover. Yeah, pretty much. How the hell do you rug pull? I don't know, man. I don't know. Only a felon? That's funny, Philip. This is very interesting. Philip, I'm a oh my God, what crime did I commit? Very interesting. So many shills today, dude. So much fun. I can smell it. Yeah, it's just wild. Like Philip over here, just like I don't know what his deal is. Like Philip, if you're having issues, I hope you go see your therapist. Like, hopefully you get some help. Yuso ripping also. Oxy, go, bro. This is nonsense. Yeah, Yuso's gone. Is Ung going too? I mean, Ung is going on a moon mission right here a little bit. We don't need Lou candles. We need an STV birthday candle. Yeah, we do. AMC MACD about to cross up just in time for power hour. Oh, it might. It's possible. Spy coming down. Let's see. Oh, this is your therapy? Oh, you live a sad life. Jeez. Let's see. He's enjoying your attention. I like the shills. They're very fun. Guys, also make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. It just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. UVXY calls up 20%. There you go, buddy. Oxy is a perfect example for 1348. Is it where? Today? No, I don't think today. It was already up this morning. Oh, right here. Yeah, perfect. Let's see. Let's see, guys. All right. What do we got? Spy trying to make a little bit of a move. Amy coming up a little bit here. Remember, forget Oxy. You're holding overnight. Remember? No, I know. I'm holding it overnight. Let's see. Oxy. It's coming down. It's fine. Whatever. Screw off, Oxy. I'm going to make money on you. Whoa. Oh, Crew just went to 112. We need a huge SCV birthday candle, AMC 1348. It did it a while ago, and it's just kind of been slowly coming up off this 200 EMA. Spy just kind of flickering around a little bit over here. Do I ever trade GLD? Not usually. Not typically, no. I don't typically trade the GLD. Spy's moving down a little bit here. You should change the title to Clicks, Views, and Bedhead. Interesting. You guys don't like my hair today? You don't like my hair? Why? Why not? Ung is ripping. Yeah, Ung's been having some fun over here. Holding UVXY calls overnight. There you go. Stay strong, Apes. We'll get there eventually. Yup. Ung's coming up. All right, people. Yeah, Ung is getting a little action over here. Spy's coming down. Where? Hold on. This is getting interesting. All right, so natural gas is up 5%. We got oil at 112.05. That's big. That is big. All right, where's Oxy? Occidental Petroleum. Nothing. Nothing yet. Honestly, I never like your hair, but I'm bald and jealous. That's fair, man. That's a fair statement. All right, let's see what happens with Spy here on this little 1 minute. Paper handed your sends calls for 20% gain. That's not bad for Eisencross down on the 3 minute. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it wants to do it on the 5 as well, but it also is still way above that 200. So AMD crossed up on the 30 minute. Ooh. It now. Yep, that's not bad. Let's see. 1348 works on oil. Yeah, very much. It works on everything, guys. It works on everything. Let's see. 118.45 on AMD. AMC. Come on. 1837. Come on. Micron needs to sort of shit out and move up. Dude, we were already up over 300% on it. Like, we're good. Let's see. Grandpa Barney's here. Grandpa Barney, where you at, buddy? How you doing? Welcome to the show, my man. All right, people. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps out with the YouTube stuff, you know, for like the clicks and the views that people just apparently don't want me to get. I don't know why. It's kind of strange, but it's okay. People are strange, man. There's no way AA would have said that about 90% of flow owned by retail if it's not true. I'm going to make a video on this tonight and explain to you guys how it's worked. It's not that complicated. It's like very simple. UVXY gonna cross up on the 3-minute. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go a little bit here. So let's see. Let's see what we got. All right. UVXY is coming up here a little bit. SPY, if SPY breaks this 48 EMA right here, that would be. Are you getting an MBA? Hell no. I hate school. I think school is nonsense. In your video, can you put a clip of what he actually said? I'll tell you what he actually said. I don't know if I have the technological capabilities to do it, but I'll tell you exactly what he said. Can I be in your video? I provide no substance of value, but I'm pretty good at being ugly. Not a hedge fund. No. You about to put on Oxy? Not the worst idea in the world. I just think oil is going to continue a little bit. Let's see. Coinbase tweet about AMC. What? What? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Whoa, what the heck? Introducing NFT profile pictures. I don't see anything about AMC. I think you're capping. I think you're capping over here. All right. SPY chilling here. Remember the AMC 40% short interest glitch a few weeks ago? Maybe not a glitch. Maybe. What does it say? It doesn't say anything. I looked at Coinbase and it didn't say anything. Let's see. Coinbase tweeted that Doge and SHIB are hitting theaters. Oh, okay, yeah, but we knew that. AMC will run at the end of the day, says Mustache. There we go. Exxon cross down. Interesting. All right, SPY just kind of flickering around. We got 1846 on Amy over here. Let's see what we're gonna get. Coinbase tweeted that Doge and SHIB are hitting theaters this month. Yeah, okay, that's fair. We already know that. Amy new day highs 1850. It just hit, so that's kind of nice. That's not bad. No, AMC can't be listed on there. It's just like Doge and SHIB going at theaters, I believe. Here she goes. Oh no, we're coming into March 3rd. Power hour. Oh, it is 3:01. We are in power hour, people. Amy's making new day highs as we speak. Here we go. Let's see. All right. What's up with TLT? Whoa, Grandpa Barney. Thanks for the super, buddy. Love you, Jack. Love you, Vix fam. Buy and hold. Thank you, Grandpa Barney. I appreciate that one. All right. SPY moving up here a little bit. Amy, 1849. GME trying to come up a little bit here. AA coming up on CNBC next after the commercial. Oh, you guys want to watch it? I think we can find it. Oh, shoot. Hold on. I'm trying to find the link. Free Internet TV. Here we go. All right. We'll watch AA. Countdown to close. All right. So we're going to get some AA on here too. I'm not taking the Verizon puts. No, I'm probably not doing anything for the rest of the day. I mean, I have the Oxys going into the end of the week. So let's see. Hey, when is March 3rd? It's tomorrow. Boyle's mooning. That Ung was all right. Here comes Oxy. There it is. Yeah, Ung is having an absolute day and a half, man. All right, are the Oxys green? Interesting. But Ung is having a day. That's not bad. When is March 3rd? Tomorrow. All righty. Let's see. Hold on. Interesting. So I'm not on the commercial yet for CNBC, but if you guys are I think it should be on here unless it's Squawk Box, which might be something else, which would make more sense. Let's see. Live audio, CNBC. I think it's got to be this, right? Explain the 90% recount. It's not 90%, dummy. Philip, it's not 90%. You're not listening to Adam Aron, buddy. Oxy, Intel, and Micron all moving. Yeah, Oxy moving. Micron, new day highs. No, it's popping up a little bit here, but nothing too crazy. AA on CNBC or Fox. Interesting. He said 90. No, he didn't. Oh my God. He didn't actually say 90. He said 90, but it's if you take out ETFs. Mojax, thanks for the super buddy. STV Ortex SWBI, please. There we go. All right. So 2,600 shares borrowed, 6.25% estimated short interest, low cost to borrow, low utilization. Amy's making new day highs over here, though. 1855 on AMC right now. 1859 is the new high. Here we go, people. AMD move it again. There you go. Let's see. AA is going to be on closing bell. See, I feel like that's this. So I'm on the CNBC live link, so we'll try to get it in a minute. They're talking about Powell right now, but Adam Aron should be coming on in a little while, so we will get AA in a little bit. Let's see. Thoughts on UPST? Closing bell at CNBC? Yeah, that's what I have. Are we questioning that statement now? No, we're not. That's exactly what it means. I'll break it down for you guys tonight. It's really simple. Like, it's really simple. Let's see. Amy, 1853 over here. SPY trying to come up as well. GameStop doing its thing. So all this math is wrong? What math? No math is wrong. Batman tonight for investors only. Woo! Bought some Doge. There you go. Yeah, guys. Also, as you're filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for all the support recently. Let's see. We're going to get Adam Aron on here in a little while. I think, let's see. Where are they at right now? Nah, they're not. They're talking about the S&P right now. They're just kind of talking, you know? Float is always a portion. Right. He didn't say it's 90% of the float minus institutions. Made 40% on Verizon? There you go. How do they not understand the simple math was that AA said? Dude, I don't know. It's fine, though. We'll break it down in the video tonight, so hopefully people understand. And then if people don't understand after that, we did the best that we could do. What happened to BBIG? Can you get an interview with AA? Probably not. Oh, Amy looks like she wants to break new day highs. 1857. SPY moving back up here a little bit. Oh, there we go. Let's see. A about to go on TV, watch AMC drop while he's on the air. We'll see. We'll see. I don't see anything on. I'm pretty sure this is the link. If you guys have a different link for it, send it to me. But this is the link that I have for it, just the normal live link that we use for like CNBC and Fox. So let's see what we can get. AMC headed across 1348 on the 30-minute. Oh, that would be sweet. Yeah, it is looking across on the 30-minute. 1855 on Amy. Micron's still coming up a little bit here. So if you're holding the Microns, you're still doing very, very solid. 90% excluding index funds. Exactly. That's all it is. Are you airing AA's speech? Yeah. Yeah. Up 150, 58 on AMD. There you go, buddy. Yeah, he did say at least. Because again, those ETFs and all those institutions have been buying more. Let's see here. Amy, 1854, doing all right. Let's see. Micron trying to move here a little bit. GME doing its thing. Let's see what we get over here, everybody. Come on, people. All right. So almost a million shares borrowed just to keep us even today. Is it now? Did they update it? Because I haven't seen anything on AMC's Ortex. It looked like Ortex was down a bunch. Like it just like it wasn't working today. All right, there it is. Whoa. They borrowed 5.23 million shares against it today and a net borrow. Well, that's a lot. 20.58% estimated short interest. That is a shitload. Let's see here. Or approximately 83% of the actual float. Right. That makes 100% sense. DraftKings, is DraftKings running 500% on Micron? There you go. What's DraftKings? Amy, hold on. Here we go. 1860 over here, trying to make a little bit of a move. DraftKings doing its thing. Where's Oxy? Is Oxy going on a run? Nah, not really. Is Ung still running? Because that would piss me off if Ung was running and Oxy wasn't. Ung coming down a little bit here. Let's see. Say nursing options. Let's see. Amy, 1859. Let's see. GME is up 2.62. AMC is up 1.42. That's not bad. Not bad. BBIG isn't running. Fuck. It's slowly making its way up here. That's not too bad. Let's see. AMC has infinite shares. The Infinity Stone. Retail should borrow shares. The increase cost borrow. Then all over start the domino effect. You could do that. It's just there's no way to get one sort of manipulation. Two, you can't, like, nobody would do it. UPST's on fire. Yeah, UPST is just on a moon mission today, up 7%. I mean, that's like a nice Micron type play over here. AMC trying to cross up on the 30-minute. Yeah, we did see that. Hold on, let me see if AA is on yet. No, not yet. They're just talking about broad stuff. That's what they're just talking about, broad stuff over here. So AMC 1859. Honestly, it's looking like it wants to go on a little bit of a run here. So 1861 is about to cross on the 30-minute. Looking good, people. God, so many pessimists in here. They're going to let it run while he's on that, manipulate it. It's like, maybe he does. Maybe they do. What's that going to change? Nothing. Let's see. 1861. UPST still coming up. Wow, this thing's moving, man. This thing is moving. Push Amy. It's trying. 1857 spy. A little bit down. That's not helping Amy. Let's see. All right. Let's see when AA is going to come on. We got about 49 minutes left. Let's see what we're going to get over here, folks. Chris, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. UPST crossed below the 200 and went up. Why? No, it crossed above. Right here. Are you? Well, it just kind of came back to life. Like, this is the little 1348 across the downside. You get it here. You get out at one of these levels over here. Okay, cool. Then it crosses up here. You could have done 2 UPST trades. You're like, okay, cool. Now it looks like it's going to come up. All right. Now you get it on this candle at 147, runs all the way to 155. You play it from, what is this? One in this candle. Well, probably this candle, 145 all the way down to 149. That's pretty good. Then you play it all the way up. I mean, that's a solid trade if you wanted to do those two. Let it run to 1,000. Subi Sickness, what's up, man? How you doing? Ford on an upward trend? Yeah, Ford's been good today. I didn't touch it. I was too busy with the Micron. Let's see. In your video, please explain 80% count change to 90%. It didn't change. It didn't change at all. It is slightly different, but we don't have the exact numbers, but it didn't change. You think it changed, but you're not listening. That's the thing. You're just not listening. Let's see. Oh, I see I get confused with the colors. Thanks, Fix. Anytime. Always hype for AMC. Subi Sickness. There you go, buddy. All right, what do we got here? Who broke Oxy? Well, where's oil? I mean, oil's still fine. Oxy does this. That's why I'm holding it overnight. Like, I don't care what it does right now. Ooh, GME with a little candle. Come on now, buddy. 122.14. Amy, 18.55. Let's see. Z, thanks for the super, buddy. Ortex for Mullen. Yeah. Mullen. What do we got here on the Ortex? 93.98% utilization, almost 17% average cost to borrow, 29.1% estimated short interest on that beast. It didn't change. Oh, it did? It did not change at all. He actually said it didn't change. So you just didn't listen. That's fine. Let's see. Did I give the Micron play in the morning? I mean, I said I was getting it in the morning. And then I bought a couple more at some point, I think. I don't think I got all in at once. I think I scaled into the Micron. AA going on TV? He should be. I mean, I don't see any. He should be today at some point. I haven't seen him go on TV yet. It would make sense going into the end of the day to kind of talk about earnings, but we will. Yeah, dude, AMC's Ortex is ridiculous. If they borrowed like 5 million net borrowed like 5 million shares today. It's crazy. Like I'll pull this back up. Did they do anything crazy with it again? 5.23 million shares borrowed. That's wildness. Like that's crazy. What will happen to the percentage I am up if it stays the same? It will probably come down like a lot. Probably, I don't know, 30, 40% of what the actual value is of the position. Probably something around there. Let's see here, people. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys very much. AMC is going to rip in 2 to 3 days. I mean, that'd be cool. If you're saying because of March 3rd, I think you should stop because that's just silly. But let's see here. 1853 on AMC. We got SPY moving down a little bit here. GME coming up a little tiny bit. When AMC crosses the 48 EMA on the daily, we are mooning. Look back. Oops. I don't want that on the daily. I mean, it went when it did it here. We went from 37 to 52, which was fun. This one at cross didn't do anything. This one at cross went from 40 to 44, not bad. This one at cross went from like 40 to 43, not bad. But then, yeah, we crossed it. Oh no, we haven't crossed it here. So yeah, the 48 could be good. Or this is on the daily. 2689 is the 200 EMA. So there's a couple of levels we got to look out for. Everyone is over March 3rd, dude. Everybody should be over March 3rd. It's silly. Are you buying calls for March 3rd? No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Oxy trying to make a move back up here. I mean, oil, what's oil doing? I mean, it's almost at 112 again. What happens when you hold a daily contract into close? No, you got to exercise it before. Your broker will probably take you out of it. I bet they already used those shares to short AMC after hours and today. Or Texas drunk and late. Yeah, it's very possible. Look at June. Yeah, I mean, it must have done it before the June too. Let's see. Moas today. I don't know, man. That'd be pretty sweet, though. It would be sweet if we started to rip today. I would be a very big fan of that. Let's see here. 100,000 end of the day, March 3rd, calling it. All right, man. Relax. All right, people. So Amy coming down to test that 1847 over here. Let me see. Do they have AA up yet? Not yet. I'm watching for it, though. Wells Fargo crossing down, so banks might be moving to the downside. SPY's coming down a little bit here, too. Let's see. Got my beer and lunch and this power hour good. There you go. So basically, no dates, just take your money while it. No, that's silly. Why would you put a date on it? And how would your date have any accuracy? But did they say what year for March 3rd? Tyler, very true. Dude, I swear to God, if people come in here tomorrow and are just like, but they didn't say a year, I'm just gonna be like, okay, we're done with you. I will just anytime somebody comes in now, it's just no credibility. Just like, no, none of that. Let's see. Only thing I know happening March 3rd is more 1348. Yeah, we will be printing again, most likely. Unless we have a red day, which doesn't happen very often, but it does happen. Let's see. I bet it's going to wick up to 50K. Stop. The original Red Dawn movie from the 80s was good. Everyone should watch that and maybe learn something. All right, Chase Mustang. I do like that movie. That is a good movie. All righty. Need to bust out the band hammer? For what? For what? Appreciate the content. Ray, I appreciate you coming in here, man. Thank you. All righty, folks. So Amy chilling 1850 over here, up about 1%. Let's see here. Also, guys, for those of you guys that are in here right now, if you guys don't have your notifications turned on for the channel, make sure you guys do that. You get notified every single time I post videos and go live. YouTube's been messing around a little bit, so make sure you guys do that. Helps out with the algorithm stuff. Thank you guys to those of you who have, and those of you who are about to. I really appreciate that. Let's see. March 3rd is my birthday, so it better do something. Hey, you guys know the deal with the birthday candles. If you get if we finish the day over 35.58%, you beat my birthday candle, you get mod for a day the next day. AMC should make 8 merch as to GME. They should. They might do it. I mean, they're looking at the merch side of it they're trying to, but I don't know why Adam Aron hasn't done it yet. It's really like They could literally just print on demand and make it so easy for themselves. Your DWAC finally went green after much, sold for a small profit, and bought 320 more shares of AMC today. There you go, man. I heard Toys R Us is supposed to squeeze March 3rd, 2018. 8 merch, sports betting, alcohol. Yeah. Let's see. 1851 on AMC. SPY moving up here a little bit. Oxy, a little pop. Horse racing is fun, but 1348 is better. Yeah, Ung. Oh shit. I mean, it looks like you could crack above 17 and get running. Where's natural gas right now? Oil's above 112 again. Very interesting, folks. So is Adam on yet? No, Adam Aron is not on yet. Let's see. Have I looked at Rolls Royce? I have not. No. Are you paying? Yeah, I'm paying attention. I haven't seen it yet, though. He's probably going to be on towards the end of the day. So like last half hour, most likely. You still holding on to my Maricalls? Nah, I sold those earlier this morning. That was the one of the losses that we took today. It was like the 2 random SPY things in the morning and then Mara. Biden speaking right now. Interesting. Guys, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go in the bathroom for like 2 seconds, but I will be right back. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. I will literally be back in like 2 seconds as usual. Alrighty, folks. What do we got? Ooh, Ung's coming back up. Spy's kind of doing his thing over here. Let's see. Where's Oxy? Oxy. Struggling. Let's see. Lou found Vix. No. All right, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Helps out a whole lot. 1851 on Amy. Let's see if we can get some action going into close. Hold on. Let's see if Adam's on yet. No. The Silverback Gorilla is not on yet. But let's see what we got over here. All righty. Let's see. What do we got going on here? Oxy's just kind of chilling. I mean, it's just been going on this moon mission for a while. So let's see if it continues tomorrow. 3 days in a row. Verizon crossed down. Ooh, interesting. Yeah, still above that 200 EMA, though. SPY's trying to make a little... I mean, it's just kind of hovering in here. We could easily trade flat into close. We got about 38 minutes to go, everybody. Let's see over here. What do we got going on? What do we have here, folks? Let's see. TLT drop, SPY will fly. How much did it drop? I mean, this is what the SPY... I mean, we've already seen the move. Like, TLT dropped all day and SPY just ripped. That's why we made the money on SPY calls today. NFTs might be back. What do you mean? Alrighty. Let's see. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys engage with content. Help get this out to some more people. And remember, this is the best time of the month to join the premium Discord. So if you guys want to get in on all these plays that we're making and do it for yourself and literally have a better view of the market than I'm going to have on a day-to-day basis, just because I'm not staring at the alerts all the time because I can't. I got to do all this. Make sure you guys check that out. Activision just crossed up on the 5. ATVI. What do we got here? ATVI, a little bit of a run here, a little bit of a cross up going into close. SPY's trying to make a little bit of a move back up here too. Second day of the month is the best time. No, it's the first week of the month is when you get the most value out of it. Just because you get so much time in it. So it's always the first week. First week's the best time to get in. Let's see. All right, everybody. What do we got? So Amy 1848 over here. What do we got here, folks? What do we have here? You've entered a Twitter war with Gasparino? Oh no, what did you do? What have you done? What have you done? All right, hold on. Is Adam Aron on? No, I don't see anything on it yet. So rich Russians spend big on luxury. Oh, are they talking about that Italy thing? All righty. Let's see. I did wash my hands. Stop it, Richard. Spreading FUD. Amy, 1847 over here. Spies trying, but let's see what happens. Activision, I mean, I'm not playing it, but it does look like it's coming back to life a little bit here. Let's see. Let's see. All right, what do we got? What did you say to Gasparino? What is Gasparino? Is he just spewing nonsense? What is he doing? What's he saying? I love how his profile picture is him doing fucking pull-ups in a playground. Or his like background thing. It's just him with like two other people just like trying to think that they're cool doing pull-ups on a literal playground. Like, look at this. Like, literally, we're gonna make fun of Gasparino really quick here. Like, come on, look at this. This is great. What the hell is going on here? This man is doing pull-ups at a playground. All right. Side note. What is his tweet? What's he doing? Oh my God. He's oh my God. He's so stupid. He's so stupid. Let's see. Ung is ripping. Man, is above 17. Oh man, Ung is going wild here. Oh baby, Ung, natural gas is pumping right now. Hold on. What's the high on it? What's the high on it? It's tempting me. What is this? Oh, it's 1740. I mean, it could hit like, where's 19 was the high? 1950. Huh. I don't know. I don't know. No, I saw the tweet. It's stupid. His tweet is stupid. He needs to stay away from playgrounds and elementary schools. Yes. I'm not backing on. No, I have Oxy though. I have Oxy for tomorrow. This is okay. This is exactly what I was expecting on Ung yesterday. Like this move right here, just into the day, boom. That's what I was hoping for on Ung, and then it just never did it. Heard Citadel went short on the Russian stock market. I mean, I bet a lot of people did. I'm trying to keep myself in check today and not do anything completely wildly stupid. So no, I'm not gonna be going back into Ung, even though I mean, yeah, no, not doing it. Let's see here. Played QQQ puts, call in the Discord, but quickly went down 6%. How do you avoid that? You have a stop loss, bro. You didn't follow the rules. You should never. Okay. You got to learn how to use the Discord too. Like 1, 20% stop loss. You should never be taking losses more than 20%. 2, some of the alerts, they're just not going to be like, they're not going to be ones that in my opinion, you should be taking, but they give you everything. You just have to sort through them. So you're like, okay, this one alerted. I like this stock. This sector's moving. This is what the spy's doing. You pull up the chart and you're like, does this look good or not? Let's see here. You did all the stupid moves today, so I don't have to. Thank you. I appreciate that. UVXY dumps overnight and runs tomorrow. Maybe. Let's peer pressure STV back into Ung. No, stop it. We're not doing that. That is not happening. I'm not getting into Ung. I want Oxy to go nuclear. You have to watch the spread. The spread can screw you. Very true. Am I playing Costco earnings? No. I'm not, but that's not the dumbest idea. What's it? Is it today? Oh, they're so expensive. No. All right. AMC 1847. Ung is yeah. Ung is printing. Yeah, Ung looks good over here. Let's see if Oxy's gonna get a little bit of a move off this. Nope. Let's see. Thoughts on Oxy? If oil rips tomorrow, Oxy will go. Thank you, pal. Always answer my questions. Hold on. 333 AMC. Is that 90%? No, it's not. But you're contributing. You are contributing. 1845 on AMC over here. Let's see. We're all here for profits, but it would be nice if gasoline would. No, it would be terrible if gas went to $10. That would be the worst thing in the world. I would hate that so much if gas went that expensive. Let's see here, people. Yeah. Also, for all of you guys filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button. Amy getting a little candle here. 1853. Come on. Oh, wait, is AA on yet? No, this is a commercial right here, so they might be bringing on Adam after, but I will keep looking at that. Just sold uncalls, made 70% at a boy. Para went crazy today. Damn, I'm usually right on it with the Paramount stuff, and I just didn't do it today. Very interesting. Just didn't get it. It's fine. We hit the crazy micron. We're good to go. Stop with the ung. I'm not gonna do what everybody thinks I'm gonna do. Let's see. Expensive gas means faster transition towards renewable energy. When? Yeah, calls on Tesla, Lucid, Rivian, Spy, flat in the close. It might be. All right. I don't want this on my screen. I don't want it on my screen. No, get out of here. 157% of my uncalls. No. Apple new high of the day. There you go. Charge point earnings. No. Just do it. No. Stop. You're peer pressuring me. Oil's coming up. Really gonna miss the buzz? Stop. You got puts for you at 12, so you didn't have to. Thanks, Hugh. Appreciate that. All right, Amy 1853 coming up a little bit here. Let's see what we're gonna get. GME doing the thing. You need No, stop it. No. Do 1,000. Oh god. Oh god. Amy 1857 doing all right over here. So you're saying Burke A? No, why? Nobody in here is buying Burke A unless you're a secret whale, which you could be. I don't know, but like, why buy Burke A? Like, why? You could buy so many other, in my opinion, better things. All right, let's see here, folks. Are you gonna hold Oxy tomorrow? Yes. All right. This is still on a commercial, I think. Yeah, I think they're still on a commercial. No, they're not actually. Ericsson CEO.
So of course.
Okay, he's just talking. Unga 100K end of day calling it. Stop it. We are going to have none of this nonsense. Ooh, look at this. Oxy coming back to life. Amy, 1857, trying to make a move back up here. Oh, baby. Bring sustainable energy to the VI. Interesting. You back held Ung from this morning, so at the beginning of this run up for like 15%. That's not bad, man. Ung to 18 by close. Stop. Is it? Oh my God. It's still going. I swear, if I were to just buy it, I would shark fin all of you. That's just how it works with me and natural gas. I either hit a dirty natural gas play, or I buy it and it shark fins. Let's see. CNBC said AA is coming up. I'm literally on CNBC, this thing, and I'm not listening to it, but hopefully it's coming up. Ericsson got called out last month for allegedly helping. Okay, that's not good. That's not a good thing to be doing with your business, probably. Let's see here. Unsung hero? Yeah. You FOMO'd into Ung holding overnight? I have Oxy, so not that kind. This kind. Occidental Petroleum. The oil baron over here. Power half hour. We got 28 minutes left to go, folks. Here we go. Alrighty, everybody. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way in. Helps out with the algorithm. Let's see. You can't be an oil barrel and a gas barrel. Yes, I can. I can be both. I can be diverse. Am I still in Micron? No, I'm out of it. I'm out of all that. That was a dirty trade today. You got Oxy peer pressure. You made me get some Ung. Oh boy. Sharp fins. Maybe. Where's Ung? Ung. Oh man. This thing's just dirty. This thing's just ridiculous. Oh my God. Natural gas up 7.22% right now. What the hell is going on? It just went up from being like 2% to like 7%. Natural gas is on a moon mission over here. TLT dropped SPY fly. TLT already dropped like today. If you're looking at the long-term trend of the SPY, TLT could bounce back tomorrow. Watch out. Ung is going up today because I didn't buy today after being in it for 2 weeks. You're welcome. Ung flew today because I got out of it yesterday. That's why. That's exactly why. That's how the market works. Is it a huge drop on TLT? Like a huge drop? mean, it's a candle from 137.83 to 130-cent drop. That's not crazy, but SPY could come up off of that. Yep, here comes the SPY. There she goes. Occidental. Struggle boss. What else do I have just kind of kicking around? TLT. All right. Let's see. End of Q4. Broken bottle of Tito's. That's what it should be. All right, hold on. Did we get Adam yet? I don't see anything yet. This looks like Bloomberg. Why is this CNBC? Okay, whatever. This just looks like all Bloomberg stuff. SPY new day highs coming? I don't know. I don't know if the buyers have enough steam left in them after pushing it up this far today. Do I own any penny stocks? No. No. Indo energy play up 40%. There you go, man. Good job. Dun, dun, dun. All right. We got Adam Aron. We got him yet? Let's see. Alrighty, folks. Is he coming on yet?
They actually opened lower by about 2% or so. They were down as much as 5%, but now higher by about 1.4%.
And many we got discussed.
This should be the right link. Let me see. Unless this is just not the right link. Let's see. Charles, thanks for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Hey, SV, I almost bought first call today. SPY March 4th, 431 was at 430.99. Didn't trust my gut. Can you flip options the same day, purchase it if on credit? Yeah. I mean, if you're on I don't know what you mean by that, but yeah, you can buy and sell options in the same day. I do it all the time. Wreck-It Ralph, thanks so much for the super, buddy. Last time UNG spiked like this, Tesla and SPY followed up as well. Ooh, interesting. Guys, thank you so much for the supers. I appreciate that. Let me see.
Of course, the impacts of some of the geopolitical events.
Why is there not? Hold on. Where's this link? Anybody got a link to it? Let me see. Because I'm on the CNBC one, but it just looks like they're doing Bloomberg stuff. Let me see here. All right, let's see. Henry, AMD. First stock I ever bought. Citi CEO earlier. I'm just kind of, he's up next. Is this what you're seeing over here? Is this the one that you're seeing right here? Like this? Like this lady talking? In this lady? Citi profitability? Is that what you guys are seeing? DraftKings ripping? Not really. Amy coming up, though. 1859, not bad. That's Bloomberg. Right. So why the hell is it saying CNBC? We can do live audio. Yeah, here it is. We're going to do the audio anyway, so it doesn't really matter.
For financial insights on demand, it's all here.
All right, so that's what we're going to do. They are on commercial. I got it right now. Yeah, I know. That was that's what they said was the CNBC link, but I have the CNBC one up now. So this is just the live stream, and it's closing bell, so we're good to go.
If you're looking for,
they're just on ads now. So let me know when he's on. Let's see. Let's see here, guys. Also, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, we are about to get Adam Aron. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. I'll leave it on quiet, so you can just kind of hear it in the background. So we make sure we get him on. Dun, 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 dun. No, I know he's supposed to be on CNBC, but I don't know why it was being silly with me. Should be right here. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, we have the audio now, so we're good to go. Let's see. Okay. All right. You're in the Washington Dulles Airport? I've been there before. What are your top 5 favorite takers to trade 1348 on? Usually it's SPY. Did you just buy UNG? Now it's got a red candle? No, I didn't. I didn't buy UNG. I'm kind of happy I didn't now, though. Not a hedge fund. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. Have a feeling they're going to short when he comes on. It's very possible. Ooh. Nope. Yeah, jacking sideways. No, I know you said CNBC the whole time. I had what looked like was CNBC up, but it looked like Bloomberg. I was like, what is going on? We got it now. So 1850 on AMC over here. Let's see what we're going to get. What's today's FUD? Oh, it's definitely the 90% stuff that I'm going to be talking about later. Let's see. I've got the live audio of it, so we should be good to go. So it's probably just after this ad, then we're good. Let's see.
Posting better than expected earnings last night, along with smaller than expected EPS loss. The company said the quarter was the strongest in 2 years. The stock is up more than 1%. It's had solid gains over the last month, with shares higher by nearly 20%, but well off of those highs that we saw last year. Joining us now in a first on CNBC interview is AMC Entertainment Chairman and CEO Aron. Adam, welcome back. Good to have you.
Always good to be with you, Sarah.
You were on fire last night on the conference call. It came out with a real message for all the haters and the critics about the death of movie theaters in a streaming world. I think called it cow dung. Tell us how you really feel.
Well, actually, what I said was a load of cow dung, and I thought I cleaned that up pretty nicely. You should have seen the first draft. Having said that, look, the point is that people have underestimated AMC for a long time now. People, I call it the conventional wisdom, which is so often wrong. People wrote with certainty that we were going to file for bankruptcy in 2020. We did not. People have been writing with certainty that there's no future for movie theaters in an era of streaming. The story, radio was going to put us out of business. TV was going to put us out of business. VCRs are going to put us out of business. DVDs are going to put us out of business. Streaming is going to put us out of business. Guess what? In the fourth quarter of 2021, even with Omicron fears, 60 million people went to our theaters in the U.S., Europe, and the Middle East. 60 million people in 3 months. People want to go to movie theaters. The consumer's appetite for content is so voracious. The world is big enough for all of us. I'm very confident in AMC's future.
Well, what I don't think was predictable, though, Adam, at all, was the voracious appetite for your stock by the retail trader community, which did help bail you out at a critical time and made the financials look a lot better. You've got tons of cash. So on the box office numbers, where are we relative to pre-COVID levels? And you think we can get back to 100% of those levels this year?
Well, first, we're very grateful to those shareholders who rallied around AMC in 2021. They allowed us to raise a lot of money in 2021. We ended the year, the December 31 quarter, with $1.8 billion of cash or liquidity. That's a war chest that puts AMC in a very strong position. As for the box office, we were quite excited. Our revenues per patron in Q4 were 25% higher than they were in the fourth quarter of 2019 before the pandemic. Now, our attendance wasn't yet back to where we needed to be, but it was 60 million people. As we look at the box office for 2022, there are a lot of big movies coming, a lot of blockbusters coming. You got the Batman opening this week, Top Gun Mavericks around the corner, Jurassic World Dominion. It just goes on and on all year, all the way to Christmas when the sequel to Avatar comes out, Avatar 2. In inflation-adjusted dollars, Avatar originally was the largest movie of all time, still is, and its sequel is out after a long wait. We think the box office is going to nearly double in 2022 compared to 2021. Like, these are all encouraging signs. We're not fully out of the woods yet, but we have the resources to outlast this pandemic, and all the signs are positive.
Adam, if you're correct and the box office this year approximately doubles and your revenue doubles, alongside that, let's just say, that would get AMC's revenue back to 2019 levels, right? I mean, that's what we're talking about, just catching up to 2019. You've got 5 times as many outstanding shares as you did in 2019, obviously through all the necessary capital raises, and your market value is 3 times what it was back then because of all that retail investor interest. I just wonder, you must be aware that the retail investors, the bull case on your stock is these kind of conspiracy theories about invisible short squeezes and things like that. If you were CEO of a company where you thought there was nefarious shorting in your stock, would you not do something about it? Can you actually come out and say, that's not really what's going on here?
Well, that's about 7 questions in one, so let me try to get a couple of. First of all, I don't think that our revenues in full year 2022 will be at pre-pandemic levels. I think that comes more likely in 2023. They will, however, be a lot more than they were in 2021. And we had positive EBITDA in the fourth quarter of 2021. Like, that's a first in 2 years for our company, in our industry. But as I said, the signs are hopeful. We are well aware, and we've been saying publicly since June of 2021, that our share price is not reflective of just the normal historic fundamentals of a movie theater company of our size. But we've also said that we are very much committed to transforming our company going forward. We are not trying to bring back the old AMC of 2019, just that. Of course, we do want to bring that company back too, but we're going to do much more. And we've already announced that we've had 4 NFT programs since November. We're dabbling with cryptocurrency. We've made a major announcement about expanding into the $6 billion popcorn industry. I mean, who knows more about popcorn than AMC? On a peak day, we sell 50 tons of this stuff. So move over Orville Redenbacher, you got a competitor who's going to be seen on convenience store shelves and grocery store shelves before 2022 is over. Then we have that $1.8 billion of cash
come on, we know.
To do some transformative M&A. I think AMC has proven in the last 2 years that we can rise to the challenges before us and startle and dazzle with the innovation and the advances we're making. And that's the bet that I'm making. After all, I'm a big shareholder in AMC myself.
Though a little less than you were last year. So Adam, you know I'm going to ask about the popcorn because I too know a lot about it, and I'm a big enthusiast and often go to movie theaters just for popcorn. How many other people like me are there though? Really, how big of a revenue stream do you see this, and how do you see it rolling out? Uber Eats is going to deliver it, like food delivery, and then what? Are you going to start supplying grocery stores?
Yes, yes, and yes. So there are a lot of you. We sell a lot of popcorn in a year. The 3 biggest things that we sell in a year are, we try to sell a lot of other things too, but the 3 biggest things we sell are movie tickets, soft drinks, and popcorn. And as I said, on an average day, we sell 35 tons. On a peak day, we sell 50 tons. We sell it to millions and millions of people every week. Our brand is credibility. If you go right now into supermarkets and you look at the microwavable popcorn that's there, there are brand names like movie theater popcorn. Well, guess who really has movie theater popcorn? We do. And it's a big industry. We've hired someone with extensive brand management experience at PepsiCo, Frito-Lay, and Hostess Brands. Who's got a ton of grocery experience to run this effort for us. I expect that we'll do a number of things on the popcorn front all in 2022.
Yeah.
Number one, to-go containers and pickup containers for people who want to come to our theaters and take some of our food home and enjoy it when they're watching their big screen TVs at home. Second, we are going to sign up most likely with Uber Eats to deliver movie theater popcorn, AMC perfectly popcorn, movie theater popcorn to homes all around the United States near our theaters. Third, we are actually going to open up kiosks in consumer malls and other locations where we'll freshly pop popcorn at kiosk and counters, just like we do in our movie theaters now. And then finally, I'm targeting, let's say September-ish of 2022. We expect to be on grocery store shelves, on convenience store shelves, possibly other food venues around the country. We are going into the popcorn business, and we expect to be successful.
Adam, thanks for the update. Appreciate it. And unlike Sarah, I also like to see the movie, so we're glad you're still up and running. Thanks again. We'll catch you soon.
Thank you very
All
much.
right. When we come back.
All right. We were close. We were very close to getting that question answered. We were very close to seeing if he was going to say something about it. I mean, here's the deal. He's said a lot of stuff about it in the past. He's talked about like there's a lot of high frequency traders and derivatives trading going on in AMC. Like he said it. Like he probably just can't come out and be like, yeah. Like he can't, because think about his role as the CEO. He's really only allowed to comment about stuff that he has specific control over, which is fundamentals of the business. Does he have control over the shorting of the stock? No. He has no control over that. So he can't really come out and be like, because anything that he says that can move the share price of a stock has to be approved through compliance. And they've probably had long, extensive conversations about what they actually need, like are allowed to say and what not to say, because at the end of the day, Aron knows. Oh, Amy, new day highs. 1866 is the new day high, or 65. I thought I saw 66. That was kind of weird. All righty. Yeah, he really can't really talk about that. At least he asked. Yeah, that was a good question. It was a very good question. He was like, if that was going on, could you do something about it? It wasn't is something going on. It was, if you thought there was, would you do something about it? I think that's a fair question that he could have answered, but I think that kind of question kind of caught him off guard, and he's just like, "No, I'm not answering that," which is fine. I mean, we have a decent idea of what's going on. Let's see. Another drunk candle on the SPY up. No, SPY's just kind of chilling over here. Let's see. You UNG people are probably having a nice time. DraftKings looking good. Yeah, so was Activision. Activision was looking decent over there. Let's see. So why can the ATER CEO talk about it? Well, I don't know. That's a weird question. I mean, the ATER CEO did say it. He was like, oh, there's naked shorting going on. But I don't know who they used as their third party. Like, there's a lot of other things revolving around there that, like, yeah, Adam Aron should be able to say something. Elon said stuff before about it. I don't know. I don't know I don't know why he can't say anything. Lawyers Prob said, don't go 10 feet near a short question. That's fair. Let's see. ATR's crap. Stop buying stocks that YouTubers are talking about. Sam, what makes you think that I'm talking about Ethereum? Sometimes I don't understand the stupidity. It's just like, oh, I got to ask the question. Bro. Oh, my popcorn just popped. There you go. Yeah, new highs on Amy. Oh, did it come up even further? Yep, new highs on Amy over here. 1866. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. We've been having this conversation for many, many, many months about if the SEC is actually going to be doing anything about the shorting going on. Everybody in the government, like, what are they doing about this shorting in our market? For since after it happened and after the initial hearing, it was like they need to do something about it. New high on AMC over here, 1869. And then what happens? Months of people being like, they're not going to do anything. Why aren't they saying anything? They should be doing something. Oh, boom, DOJ investigation. It's like, we are not privy to things going on behind the scenes all the time. Like, there are going to be things going on behind the scenes that we just don't get to see. Is there something going on probably right now? Yeah, there is. Are we able to see it right now? No. And that's why we don't know about it. So the only thing that we can do is kind of speculate what that thing might be. But at the end of the day, it's like, okay, I've kind of gone over this a couple times. We talked about it this morning with the way that we're set up with AMC right now and how much that we own and how much institutions own and how much short interest is in this and how much craziness can happen on the option chain. There does not need to be any synthetic shorts to have the stock go absolutely nuclear. Do I think that we have them? I think there's a decent amount of them out there with all these IOUs and FTDs that have been created. So it just makes the potential of when it ends up starting to run even more, if that makes sense. Let's see. Be patient, no dates. Use 1348 to make money and keep loading up while we wait. Yeah, guys. I mean, the best time to join the Discord is the beginning of this month. If you guys, okay, so if you guys have any questions about 1348, just shoot me messages on Twitter if you're like kind of hesitant about it, because like you've seen me do it, you've seen everybody in the chat do it. We want everybody to be making money. Let's get on it, guys. Let's see. Look at the AMC price. It's 1864. Let's see. Based off the call yesterday and the interview today, there seems to be a legal aspect why you cannot answer that question. Yeah, there is. Is AMC still at 100% utilization? Yeah, but it's like a useless piece of data. Say hi to Jimmy. 122.23. Coming back down off there, that little bit of a moon mission, little bit of a shark fin over there. You would like a video with the tutorial for babies? Gabe has them on his channel. That's why when I say join the free part of the Discord and watch the videos, you join the free part of the Discord. There's videos all listed out for you. They're public. You can go do it, but they're already listed out for you in there, so you can just click, and watch them. That's great. I will continue to buy at the money cost for AMC to move the stock. Good for you, Matt. Let's see. I haven't seen orders in a few days. It could cost to borrow. Move it all, Zeros? No, it didn't move at all. It's the same or even a little bit lower. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. Spy's coming down a little bit here. Amy 1858. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Let's see. Made 100% off SCHN $50 calls from Strategy Steel Recycling Stock. There you go. What time do I start streaming? 8:30 in the morning. Then I go off at around 11:30 or 12. And then I come back on at 1:15. You have a question? Wall Street is the block. What's up, buddy? Would you hold Uvxy overnight? I don't know. I mean, I'm holding Oxy overnight. I don't know if I hold Ung. It really depends on what craziness is going to happen with oil and natural gas tomorrow. I mean, do I think it continue to go up into the end of the week? Yeah, absolutely. So I'll hold them, have some fun with it. It's really small, though. Anything that I'm holding overnight now is tiny. The BitConnect founder indicted in a $2.4 billion Ponzi scheme has disappeared, says the SEC. Oh, boy, that's not good. 132% on Ung. There you go. All right, I'll try and work on a 1348 video for you guys this weekend. I'm trying to get all the stuff done. I just have so much stuff I have to do all the time. So I'm going to try to get one out for you guys, but I'll show you guys how I use it. Let's see. Oxy, ouch. Yeah, it's whatever. It can run up tomorrow. Not answering the question is helping shorts. No, it's not. How's it helping shorts? Yeah, you could have said that. Okay, you're fair, but that doesn't mean he's helping the shorts. Killed it on Micron calls. Dude, Micron calls were ridiculous today. Those were the best. 125% on Activision? Is it really ripping right now? Like really, really big? Okay, what the shit is this? This is nonsense. We got 3 minutes left to go here, people. Ooh, baby. I'll do your homework for you. Are you going to take my test? Let's see here. BitConnect. Been saying we can't run without regulations or market mechanics forcing it? No, I think that's wrong. Market mechanics, yes. Yes. Like I like technicals and stuff like that. Option chain, yes. Regulation, though, I don't know about that. I don't think they're scared of regulation right now. Hey, Paperboy, how about Mara and Riot? Oh, if Bitcoin ran today, it might have ran. This was just bullshit here. Okay, this is the cross that you could have gotten over here. This cross right here, you could have played around with this and ran it up. That would have been good. This one sucked. This shark fin right here on Mara this morning sucked. Let's see. You stay XYZ. There's no earnings today, buddy. It was yesterday. Let's see here. Amy coming down a little bit into close. 2 minutes left. We're at 1848. We got the SPY coming through the 48 EMA on the 5 minute. That's taking a decent size number two over here. Where's SPY headed in such a hurry? It's trying to go home. It's tired from today. Thanks for introducing me to 1348. Live in the UK and made me get into a broker where I could trade options. If it wasn't for you, I never would have done it. Appreciate it, man. I mean, I'm hopefully you're crushing it with it. A lot of people are. Really, really good strategy. So make sure you guys check that out. It is linked in the top of the chat over here, and it's also the first link in the description. Gosh dang it. Weirdest barcoding you've ever seen. Oh, you should have seen BBIGs those couple of days, or MMAT. What's it on the 1 minute look like? Oh, this is like, okay, no, it's not. It's sort of doing it back here, but look at this. This is like what BBIG looked like that one day, but literally all day long. Like, that's weird. On the 5 minute, it looks kind of, even the 5 minute looks jacked up. Like, look at this. They did it on the 5 minute too. That's insane. Spy just found out there's a war going on. No, it's figured it out. It's known for a little while. Let's see here. Pumping my UVXY calls. There you go, buddy. All righty, team. What do we got here? Yeah, I'm very happy with the SPY sells today. The Micron, the AMD, everything was really good today. Oxy, this is going to make me sad. Not really. I don't really care at this point. Yeah, Oxy selling off pretty hard. Where's oil right now? Oil 111. I'm not worried about Oxy at all. This is just profit takers, I think. So we'll see what happens with Oxy tomorrow. Come on. Max pain on AMC should be 18. If you see it cross pre-market, do you buy at market open if it continues? Okay, so if it crosses pre-market and then it crosses over the 200 EMA, yes, then I would consider it. Let's see here. Oh, ding, ding, ding. The market is closed. What a freaking trading day today, people. We absolutely stole money from the market maker. So hopefully you guys had fun today. If you are going to head out, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way out. We also got again, it's the best time of the month to join that, the premium part of the Discord. So make sure you guys check that out. The link in the top of the chat is to the free part. You're going to have to go into the channel that says how to sign up for premium. If you do want access to all of the lives or the private live streams, and all the alerts, which there's a boatload of them. Like, I think that we send out at least like 200 to 300 alerts every single day, just because that's how it works, just in terms of the crosses, because we have so many stocks loaded up in there. So you get such a good view of the overall market. But Amy closed the day at 18:53. I will have a video out for you guys at 6 p.m. Eastern. So make sure you guys have your notification bell turned on and are ready for that. It's going to be an interesting one. Hopefully you guys learned something from it about this 80-90% stuff. That's probably a lot of what we're going to talk about today. But yeah, thank you guys so much. That was super fun. Shout out to all the mods, the new members, and everybody just being super supportive. You guys are awesome. I'll see you guys in the video tonight and then 8:30 bright and early tomorrow. But other than that, hit that like button on the way out and peace.